16, 18, 19, 20 also, my lord, and 17 also, my lord.
Just one by one, one by one.
16 to 20, my lord. Oh. Just okay. Ah, 16 to 20, my lord.
Anything survives.
Yes, my lord.
As
That is
per
why,
my lord, humble
My lord,
submission, my
Floor
lord,
price was declared, auction
No, that
completed.
was subject
nothing
to,
will
my lord.
remain.
Huh?
That was subject to, that is why, my lord. I had
In
to
take, my
take
lord, the new guidelines has come into.
No, just 1 minute. There was an auction, non-declaration of floor price.
Yes.
Now that has, there was initially no interim order,
No, that was subject to.
subject to.
So that is why, my
Then
lord.
whether auction is carried out.
Auction
No,
is carried
no,
out,
my
so
lord.
we may get, my lord, refund also.
Auction has gone ahead, but so lordship goes
So
by.
you have purchased it.
We have purchased it, but at a higher price.
Right.
Now, ultimately, if your lordship gives a declaration that non-fixation of floor price had an effect,
Yes.
then we are entitled to consequential relief. That is the point to be decided. Moreover, my lord, Honorable Justice Mia, in this judgment, has already dealt with the issue. My lord, how can the same product,
No, I
per
understand.
MT, it could be 18,000 in Digboy and 24 in Guwahati.
And there is a policy that
Policy.
it should be
Yes,
equivalent.
And the idea is to protect the local calciners.
That has been justified in the affidavit.
Anyway, when
After vacation, my lord.
Lordship will give a convenient date of your lordship.
we'll not give a date. We'll fix a, see, our homework is gone.
Yes.
So we'll not give a fixed date.
Actually, my lord, I came prepared, to be honest.
See, sorry to say, have almost 98 meters. We spend substantial time, at least to understand. And while coming to this court, it is adjourned. And there is a provision of giving a notice, then we will not see the file.
No, but it is Monday, my lord, in other tests, my lord, it can be done, my lord.
Monday also it can be done. When there is an unlisted, we say that give through email, you will hurriedly rush and you will find it way out. But for adjournment, nobody will find. Yes, anyway, item number? On the
16 to
prayer of the
20.
learned
16 to
counsel,
20.
16 to 2, non-learned counsel for the petitioners. Matter stands adjourned and be listed after puja vacation.
Lord, item 15 of today's list, my lord. This matter would be covered up by the writ appeal, my lord, which is still pending. Writ appeal number 185 and 208. 185 to
It is
2007.
submitted by Mr. Samuel, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the writ appeal being
Writ appeal number 185 2017, 208 2017.
has not yet been decided. Therefore, this matter may be adjourned, signed until the till any determination and made in so and so so and so. Prayer is allowed. List accordingly after disposal of writ appeal number.
185 2017, 208 2017. Obla.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, my lord, on 19th, lordship.
Bench for you, which bench?
Bench three, lord.
Bench 3, this is not a bench 3.
My lord. Item number 47. AB, my lord.
Item
With the
number?
instruction of the petitioner, this matter may be withdrawn, lordship. 47.
Yes,
47.
47 and 48.
47.
You want to withdraw?
Withdraw, lordship.
Wait.
Lordship, item 68 and 69, Lordship. Today, I am going to file the affidavit, Lordship. Concern with the other side, Lordship, I'll fix the matter after 2 weeks, Lordship. 68 and 69, Lordship. That municipality matter, Lordship.
68 and
After puja vacation, Lordship. 68 and 69.
on the prayer of Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the respondent, matters 2, 3, 4 and 5. Matter stands adjourned and be listed after puja vacation. Any interim order?
No, Lordship. No, Lordship.
With the concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 43. So
43.
We'll file the objection here. So time may be granted for some time after the puja vacation.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. My only prayer is, my lord, a date may be fixed, any date, my lord.
What is the issue here?
It's regarding non-registration of the FIR.
Huh?
For regarding non-registration of.
Who are you?
And for the respondent number 6.
FIR registered or not registered?
Not please.
Wait. If FIR registered, anything survives here.
But I don't think affairs is registered.
Who are you? Respondent number 6 is who? Officer.
Respondent.
Against you FIR file or what?
Yes.
We'll obtain instruction on whether FIR filed or not. Yes.
Lordship, may I pray for a listing of an IA for withdrawal in connection with item number 63, your lordship?
Item number,
63.
just a minute.
In
You
connection,
want to bring it today?
lordship, because I had filed the two IAs together in 63 and 64. One is already listed, one somehow.
Item number 6, so many. Item 63
3, your lordship.
and 4. Okay, you
Yes.
want,
One IA is already before your lordship today, which is item number 72, your lordship.
okay. So you other you want to bring on today?
If convenient for your
Yes,
lordship.
yes.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for item number 53, lordship. With the consent of other side, kindly matter fees.
Why this matter is listed in orders? Why this matter is listed in orders?
This issue for respondent number 5 and 4.
Notice not received.
Notice
What
not-
is the report? Item number? We'll do.
It's actually out of station, lordship.
In view of Lawajima Court's order dated 21/8/2024, the respondent number notice is respect of respondent number 5 is complete, and notice in respect of respondent number 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, and 5.5. It is reported that the said respondent has refused to accept the notice. Accordingly, the service is complete, service is treated to be complete. List this matter in the admission column after puja vacation.
Oh, nice.
Yes, next.
Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship, this is a bench 5 matter.
Bench 5 matter, then
Land
you
and revenue matter.
go to the other bench, not this bench.
On 90.
Please, your lordship, item number 49. I have inquired CD will not receive, so another date may be fixed.
49, madam, CD notice.
Okay, CD not received. Give a date.
Madam, on, madam, 22/0, madam.
20.
50 also same.
50 also same.
He has been told.
Yes.
Any interim?
20, madam, 24th, madam.
24.
2020. No,
Item number 73.
Yes, standing council held.
Lordship, can it be taken after some time? No, sir, madam.
Hearing, BA.
This case, regarding this default, madam, perhaps, madam, on earlier occasion, my lord, Mr. Kosik appeared, madam, he will come, my lord.
Can we take it up tomorrow?
Yes, yes, sir.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Today 98 matters.
Yes.
It will take some time
Some
because they
time it
want to
will-
rely on some other judgments.
Judgment, sir.
They want to distinguish. So we'll have to apply our mind.
No,
Yes,
Is-
there also last year, Jagdish Singh. Jagdish Singh clearly in our favor, man.
Okay, we'll see what they want.
yes,
Tomorrow.
okay.
44.
Yes.
May it please, your lordship. This is a bail petition, my lord, where we are on the interim, my lord. And the co-accused, my lord, against whom the co-accused already has been granted bail.
Recently, I have granted some bail in this case.
Yes, this honorable court granted bail.
Recently.
Not recently means I have annexed a copy of the order. That is at
Tomorrow. Interim to continue tomorrow. Today, bail will be difficult. And that to charge sheeted cases. Interim or to continue.
My lord, already. Okay, my lord, tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Monday.
bails will take up tomorrow, until and unless very small matter. Yes, Goswami, what is about this?
45, my lord. Here, this case, my lord, other case 46 is the bail petition, my lord, which was also disposed of.
Hmm.
45 is the case where a notice was issued to the IO. He has paid the reply, my lord.
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do you know the recent judgment Supreme Court, how dealt with it?
My-
Bring that judgment tomorrow. Recent judgment.
Yes, sir. Let's come to the notice.
Even the magistrate is not spared. We will also not spare you until and unless you can satisfy. Tomorrow.
My
This is not the way police should treat citizens.
Right.
And that too after interim order. Yes, tomorrow.
Today, will not have read in Times of India, even bail conditions cannot be arbitrary. Delhi High Court has said.
Yes.
It has to depend upon the economic condition of
Yes,
the
yes,
person
yes,
seeking bail.
yes, yes. If you give a condition which is ultimately to
refusal of
in
bail.
refusal of bail. You give a bail, the IO decides that he has he has not complied with the condition. So forget about the High Court's interim order, put behind him. And the magistrate also accepts this.
They're all
Will
abdication
not,
of-
will handle
they're all
it.
abdication of authority.
Yes.
46 also let it be tomorrow, my lord. That is just the same city.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll check. 748, they want to withdraw perhaps.
Somebody wanted to withdraw.
Malad,
You also
another-
want to withdraw.
Malad, another advocate has filed vocalatno, my lord. In fact,
Uh-huh.
I am dealing the case. He is paying, my lord. Yes, maybe withdrawn, my lord. He is not here, my lord.
Where is the lady gone? It happens. That's why you have not allowed on
My lord,
that.
I have not any instruction I have received, my lord. No instruction. My lord,
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. City is here.
This is there, 41, 48, again.
Tomorrow.
48, my lord. 48 may be taken, my lord. All the, my lord,
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Kali.
my published, my.
Party item 1 and 2.
My lord, would like to file an objection.
What is the main case?
Main case is ours, my lord.
What is the reply?
Main case is, my lord,
That
there was some
settlement.
delay.
Ah.
There was some delay in deposit of that 25 kiss money, 25%.
Ah.
But they accepted.
Ah.
But
Now,
thereafter-
who are you?
I am, your lordship, that I filed a writ petition, your lordship, before the honorable single judge, your lordship, saying that their settlement should be cancelled since there is a delay on their part
Okay.
to deposit the 25% of the money. Now,
Okay.
on
What
the-
was the order in that writ petition?
in that writ petition, initially interim order was passed. During pendency of that writ petition, your lordship, referring to that order, your lordship, they have cancelled their settlement, your lordship. That was put to challenge in the present writ petition, connected writ petition. Initially, there was no.
But there is no order for cancellation of the writ petition or the
No, my
settlement.
lord, our cause of action is alive.
Okay. Okay.
We
Mr.
file an objection.
K. Chaudhary, learned the senior counsel assisted by Swenso. Press for an is granted
1 week time.
10 days time.
10 days.
10 days time to file objection in the IA list accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
Item 51 for orders.
Lavadima code before this.
51 for orders. Just a minute. Yes. Uh, Who is for the petitioner? Await service report in respect of notice issued through usual process and list this matter after puja vacation.
Uh, 52.
This matter is listed before this. Is it a bench 3 matter, Anganwadi Center?
Because steps was not taken, Lord, some lodgement order is given.
No, that we have seen.
Look.
What is the order issuing notice?
7/9/18.
Hmm?
7/9/18.
Affidavit filed by whom? R2. None appears for the petitioner on call. This court, under its order dated 7/9/2018, issued a notice returnable after 8 weeks and also passed an interim order directing providing that the present site of number 183 Anganwadi Center, which is stated to be near Dalukhal Masjid, Haurikandi Part 1 village in the district of Kasal shall not be changed. Full stop. So, notice in respect of respondent number 7 was complete. Laojima Court, under its order order dated 22/2/2024, directed the petitioner to take fresh steps upon respondent number 8. Thereafter, matter was again placed before Laojima on 9/4/2024. None did represent the petitioner and no steps were also taken accordingly. Further 2 weeks time were granted. Thereafter, again matter was placed on 22/7/2024 before the Laojima None represented the petitioner, nor any steps were taken. Full stop. Accordingly, matter is placed before this court. None appears for the petitioner on call. Considering the conduct of the petitioner, this court conduct the petitioner, the writ petition stands dismissed for want of steps upon respondent number 8. Respondent number 8, interim order if any stands vacated.
In 54,
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
The matter was before the Lavazima Court, your lordship, for steps on 8, 9,
Hmm.
14, 15, 19, 22, and 25.
Hmm.
In that regard, your lordship, respond number 9.
Hmm.
There's a remark which states that the address has been changed.
Hmm.
So we have to ascertain the real address. We'll be communicating and we'll be filing the amended cost title soon, your lordship.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they may be granted 10 days time to complete their instruction as regards address of respondent numbers 9 and thereafter file an amended cost title. Full stop. Prayer is allowed, list accordingly.
5,
Here, your lordship, they are taking time again and again for your lordship filing an affidavit. Your lordship may kindly see the last order. Your lordship.
Some affidavit has been filed.
But
No,
Mr.
not-
S.
No,
Petition
that
is-
is your lordship. Earlier, one affidavit has been filed,
Hmm.
but subsequently there are orders. The final decision, your lordship.
Where is the order? Order alleged to have been violated.
Lordship, that is that page, your lordship will get it. Page 30.
Oh, that affidavit.
Lordship. Only thing, your lordship, that already they have, your lordship, they.
Where is Mr. Bora?
He's on legs.
Okay,
Let it take that after some.
we'll give him the, let us have the instruction. He has given consent that we are happy with that also.
Lordship.
We'll close it. Yes.
56,
Lordship, as per the Lojima Court order dated 29/8/2024, service on respondent number 5 is already completed.
So service is complete. Okay. This matter is ready as regards service in terms of Lajima Court's order dated 29/8/2024. Accordingly, list this matter in the admission column after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks? After 3 weeks. In the meantime, the respondents may file their response. Yes, Mr. Pathak.
This matter I'm appearing as a legal aid counsel. The
Okay.
issue was that our land was acquired by GAIL, your lordship.
Hmm.
So our claim was that we are co-pattadars
Hmm.
and the compensation was not granted to us.
Hmm.
Now there is a provision under the act for referring the issue to the district judge. In the affidavit, they have done that, your lordship. Earlier, they had not done. That was our prayer, your lordship.
Okay.
So in effect, if the district judge is directed to decide upon our claim, your lordship, that will suffice.
Okay. Heard Mr. K.P. Pathak, learned.
The standing counsel, GAIL will be appearing in this matter.
Who?
He's in another court, my lord.
Who?
Mr. S. Mitra, standing counsel, GAIL.
S.
S. Mitra, my lord.
Okay, let him be here. We'll record his name.
Yes. Order is at page number 130.
Mr. K.P. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S. Mitra, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, and MS S. Borua for for respondent number 3. Full stop. The present writ petition is filed. Mr. K.P. Pathak, legal aid counsel, file inter alia alleging that though the petitioner is a co-pattadar over a plot of land in Borpalaha village in Borbongsor Moja in Kamrup district, and the respondent number corporation has taken over such land. However, no compensation was paid to the petitioner. Full stop. The respondent GAIL, GAIL, has filed an affidavit and has submitted that the matter relates to apportionment of compensation before the apportionment of compensation amongst the landowner, and therefore matter has already been referred to the jurisdictional district judge in terms of section
11, your lordship.
section 11 of Telegraph Act.
Petroleum and mineral pipelines.
Section 11 of Petroleum and Mineral Pipelines Act.
Acquisition of right of user in land act.
Acquisition of right of users, would bracket close,
Right of users in land, your lordship.
right of users in land, brackets close,
Act 1962.
1962. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, Mr. K.P. Pathak, learned legal aid counsel, submits that as the matter has been relegated to a referred to a proper forum, therefore, this writ petition can be disposed of, requesting the learned jurisdictional district judge to consider and decide the matter at earliest. Full stop. Yes.
Lordship,
Okay. The learned counsel for the Gale has also submitted that the proper course of action should be to close this matter. Full stop. This court is also of the view that since the apportionment between the landowners is now pending before the jurisdictional district judge, nothing survives to be adjudicated in this writ petition. Accordingly, same stands closed. However, this court expects that the learned court shall take the matter on record and proceed in accordance with law.
Deeply.
Dispose of. Yes,
Lordship, as per the office note, the steps have been completed, Lordship.
service completed. You are appearing.
I'm praying for the department, your lordship.
Department, who is for respondent number? In view of the Lajima 8, private respondent 8.
8, your lordship.
In view of Lajima court's order dated 29/8/2024, the matter is ready as regards service. Accordingly, list this matter in the admission column after puja vacation.
There is an interim order.
List this matter on, give a date. Before puja. 25th of September 2024. In the admission column, the respondents may file their response in the meantime. Full stop. Interim order pass earlier shall continue till then. Hello. Yes, anybody appears?
I appear for the respondent one, your lordship. She is already retired from service. And the petitioner also implemented.
Where is the order? Where is the order?
Page 13, your lordship.
What is the direction?
May I please, lordship? In page number 15, my lord, in para 2. May I read?
Page number 15,
Para 2, my lord.
para.
Para 2.
Who will implement this order? Tell us then. Who will pay this compensation?
Water resource, my lord.
The water resource department, your lord.
My lord, the latest development, my lord, I am appearing for a respondent number 3 on the deputy commissioner. The total amount is 3 crores 94 lakhs. But the department has given us 1 crore 4 lakhs only.
Who are you?
I am for the disbursing officer, my lord, deputy commissioner.
Who is for the water resource?
Respondent number
7, my lord.
Respondent number 7.
Huh?
Respondent number 7.
Respondent number 7.
Any standing counsel for water resource?
RM Das appears for the water resource department, your lord.
Call him. Okay, list this matter on next week, give a date. List this matter on 17, full stop. As The learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing, Mr. Pegu, learned counsel appearing for the deputy commissioner, respondent number 3, submits that the requiring department has deposited only 1 crore
4,68,850.
4,68,850
850.
for payment of compensation for payment of compensation against land acquired on behalf of the irrigation department, water resource department, and the total claim is 3 crores.
94 lakhs.
3
crores,
3 crores 94 lakhs. The collector has not been able to disperse such amount. In view of the aforesaid, let this matter be listed on next Monday. No, no, next Monday. Next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. 17. Reflecting name of Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel for the
Water Resource Department.
Water Resource Department, so as to apprise this court why the land acquisition compensation against the land acquired on their behalf has not been deposited with the collector. Copy of this order be furnished to Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel.
Item 61.
May it please your my lord. I filed a miscase for the restoration of repetition case number 5817 and 5820. I was not able to appear on 5/7/2024 due to my family problem. I went to Nagaon for my son treatment. That's why I could not able to appear on 7/8/2000, and this instant writ petition stand dismissed for non-prosecution, which was passed by the Honorable Justice Devasys Guru. So it is my humble prayer before this Honorable Court to kindly restore that.
Difficult.
Yes, my lord.
Difficult. Because your writ petition is dismissed. Is not it?
Yes, my lord.
On 7/8/2024. Then you file an IA. IA is also dismissed or what? No, only IA is there. What is the subject matter of the writ petition?
Actually, Your Honor,
The writ petition, yes. Who is for the respondents? Private respondent or state?
For 2 and 3.
sir, what is can I explain the
Not only one date, you have continuously not present on 2 dates, 5, 6 and 7, 8.
sir? Not I will not. I was not appear on that intentionally. Actually, over a night, my wife informed me that my side.
No, that we
my
understand.
side
But
has been suffering from high fever.
no, let us.
And my junior has been suffering from. I have explained in my petition.
Please, why you were not present on 5, 6?
Pipes. Sir, that
You have that has been the reason is it is seen that on earlier occasion also none had appeared on behalf of the people. So this writ petition was dismissed on 2 counts. Non-appearance on 7, 8, that we can understand. What about 5, 6? Have you made any explanation?
actually is your.
No, we do not know. Have you made any explanation in the pleading regarding 5, 6? Any statement in the petition? Why you were not present on 5, 6? No. The learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to file an additional affidavit to explain the reason for non-appearance of any counsel when the connected WPC 5820/2023 and 2023 is not it? And 2 writ petitions dismissed.
Yes, sir.
In connected it is 5817/2023 and 5820. Which writ petition is dismissed? Both.
Both.
Okay.
Both.
5 8/20/2023. Okay? কি করলো? Oh, in connection with so. When the matter was called on 5/6/2024. List this matter after 2 weeks. Not so this. It cannot be so casual. Those days are gone. Yes.
May please, Lordship, service upon the respondent 1 to 6 is await, my lord. As per the office note dated, my lord, 6/9/2024.
Await service report in respect of respondent number
1 to 6, my lord.
1 to 6 and list this matter.
My lord, I may be allowed to take face steps, my lord, already.
No, push up. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in view of office note dated
2024, my lord.
6/9/2024, he may be allowed to take first steps by both ways upon respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Prayer is allowed. Steps be taken within a period of 5 days from today and list this matter thereafter. List this matter thereafter.
Respond number 1 to 6.
1 to 6.
Deeply obliged.
5.
61 ki
But I appear for the applicant in the IA.
Okay, what is this IA?
The applicant in the IA, Milord.
Yes.
I am the newly implemented respondent number 8 in the matter. Milord will kindly have page 15 of my IA.
You have already been, you got implemented.
Yes, Milord. Because I've been misjoined. Milord will kindly have, I've been misjoined as a respondent, Milord. Milord will kindly have page 15.
You are Dr. Jadav Kumar.
Jadav, yes. Jadav Chandra Kumar.
Page
Page
50.
15 of my IA, Milord.
Page 15.
This honorable court's order of 3rd of January this year. Milords will kindly see paragraph 2 on at page 15. This court, may I read, Milords?
Just a minute.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I am not the proprietor, Milords. Since December 2017,
Huh.
I have not been the proprietor. Milords will kindly see my
Who is
previous.
proprietor?
Milords, it's a partnership by the name of Shristi Foundation, Milords. Milords will kindly have.
Who is representing Sixty Foundation?
They are not here, Milords.
Huh?
Because I have been joined as a representative, as the proprietor of Kumar Nursing Home.
Huh.
So Shrishti Foundation is not here. My humble submission is, Milords, that Shrishti Foundation should have been implemented. Or Kumar Nursing Home should have been implemented as a party represented by one of the partners of Shrishti Foundation. I stopped being the proprietor on 24th of December 2017. Milords. So since then, Kumar Nursing Home has been owned by Shrishti Foundation. Milords.
Where do you get that?
Milords will kindly have the latest first, Milords will have.
Shikari, let this matter be listed before that bench.
Your Lordship, the incident happened in 2011 and the patient died in 2013. So at that time, Mr. Bora was very much in the charge of the
That
thing.
we understand. What is your claim in this petition?
Your Lordship, I am the one of the respondent, Your Lordship. I approached Assam Human Rights Commission and they have imposed a cost of 5 lakhs upon the doctor. That is Dr. Bhavesh Chandra Das. So against that, he came up in a writ petition. And during the course of the hearing, the Honorable Court said that the proprietor of the hospital and the proprietor should be implemented as a party. So at that,
So suppose today we say that the doctor and this is the hospital is liable. Where is the necessity of an individual? It should be the hospital. Maybe on that day, therefore, hospital remains. It is a legal entity.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hospital remains. Who is Bormon or Kolita, we are not concerned. I think this should be listed before that bench.
Yes.
Yes.
No. See, we are almost reviewing an order. List this matter before appropriate. This is first appeal.
It's the writ petition.
Writ petition, Your Lordship.
That is.
Okay, list this matter before appropriate bench.
Immediately one thing is that parties, when there are multiple parties, if any of the parties file an IA or something, all the other parties should get it back.
Who are you?
I served the
I'm
petition.
response number 7. I was surprised with the idea now.
Okay, serve it.
Yes, sir.
Deeply applied.
Your lordship.
My lord, my petition was dismissed for default, my
Hmm.
lord. Thereafter, I filed an application for condemnation.
What is the order?
Lordship, may kindly see the order of Lordship, page 8 of my petition. Condemnation.
Difficult.
But earlier, there was an order, my lord, for depositing some. I already, in my petition, I have mentioned, my lord. I also approved the registry for depositing debt money.
What was the subject matter of the writ petition?
My lord, this is against the order of the DRTA, my lord. Regarding loan, my lord.
DRTA.
DRT.
DRT.
Yeah.
How it is maintainable?
My lord, because, my lord, some irregularity is there in respect of the.
What is the
interest,
remedy?
my lord. But my writ petition was dismissed for default, my lord. Let it be restored, my lord, then.
You argue. We are restoring it and passing an order, dismissing your appeal.
Sure. My lord.
You are a borrower.
Yes, my lord.
How much money?
Initially, it was, my lord, 5,60,000, my lord. On thereafter, my lord.
We not restore this.
My lord.
This matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Will not restore this. At least this court will not restore this.
7.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, lordship, the case is coming again and again. They are taking time, but lordship, in this case, we have paid the taxes in 2016-17 only for the assessment year 16-17, lordship. After that, they have issued the impugned notices and the in the year 2021, and the order was passed in 22, lordship. It is absolutely a time barred matter, lordship. And for invoking
Who are the respondents?
the CDSC
I is for what?
during the pendency of this petition, also they again issued a recovery notice, lordship, and that has been suspended, lordship.
By IA.
By IA.
And what is the main writ petition?
Main writ petition is lordship 7805
This is item number?
67.
This is 67.
Yes.
All parties are duly represented.
Only party CGST.
Hmm?
CGST department.
Allow us 2-3 days time to obtain instruction, lordship, in this regard.
You are enjoying a stay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. On the prayer of learned counsel for the
Respondent number 2 and 3.
what do you call it?
CGST, lordship.
CGST. Huh? Learned Standing Council, GST.
CST.
GST. Matters then adjourned and be listed after preservation. Any urgency?
Lordship, because I have paid all taxes after that impugned notice.
Not-
and
not-
they take time every time.
Not Friday. Not Friday, dear after Friday. Okay, give a date, Mosumi, as per your convenience. 20.
Much of it. 70 and 71.
My lord, interim was till this date.
Interim order pass earlier shall continue till then. Oh, that he had already made a mention. Okay, on the prayer, list this matter after 2 weeks. Because on day before yesterday, he made a mention. What he said, I forgot. What was the mention memo? Musumi?
Otherwise, lordship, the influx of matter, lordship.
Some mention memo was given. 16-9. List this matter on 16-9.
Listing number 73 for motion.
That form of bill, my lord, whether it was uploaded or not, my lord, I've got the instruction. Hold on. I can look. Lordship will kindly turn to the third page. This we have downloaded from the, my lord, e-portal. It was a e-tender. Third, Lordship will see, my lord, in the middle, cover details. Number of
Page
covers.
3, na?
Page, third page, yes, my lord.
Third page of this bunch.
Yes, third page.
Okay.
Third page, yes. No, it is-
Tender documents.
Yes. It says, my lord, e-procurement system, Government of Assam, tender details, 6th of September 2024.
I'm
At the
not
top.
getting anything. Where? Page 2. Page 2 of 2. Huh?
Oh, and that's third page. It will be now, it will be third page.
No,
That one, my lord.
it-
Lordship has just now,
Okay, this is the third page. Okay, okay.
6th of September, in the middle, my lord, payment instrument, thereafter in the right side, cover details, Lordship will see the cover, fee, pre-qualification, technical, PDF. So, my lord, whatever format, Lordship will see, my lord, bid cost, bid security, bid document, technical qualification, PDFs are there. These are to be downloaded, which petitioner has already downloaded, and they are part of the writ petition. Now the financial bid, 2.
Form of bid.
Yes.
This is section 6.
Yes, my lord, PDF is there, my lord. It is to be downloaded and he has downloaded in fact. Without mentioning that particular amount, my lord, his bid, he has submitted it, uploaded it. That's why it has been rejected under my lord clause 13.10. For the claim of the petitioner that it was not there in the, my lord, e-portal, that is not sustainable.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, that we understand.
Lordship, kindly look to the one thing, my lord. That tender has been portal, Assam tender e-portal, my lord. In that tender e-portal, my lord, that document is initially not available. Subsequently, it was uploaded. I said, my lord, on that particular day, my lord. And my lord, I have, my lord, subsequently, so it is not part of, my lord, tender, because there is a document has been mentioned 113 to 132, 1182, 133. That document is not available, my lord. This format is not available, my lord. So I want to show one thing, important thing, my lord. One thing is that he has said that 13.2 was, 13.2, he has said it shall be strictly followed in the tender process. If it is not, then his tender will be rejected. They have said, I have not followed. The other party has followed, my lord. My humble submission before your lordship have to go to page 55.
Yes.
Bidder must quote his bid price section 6 form of bid both fees and product, which is duly signed by the bidder. Your lordship kindly come to the page number 41. Have your lordship got it? Your lordship kindly come to the online price bid shall not be submitted paper. Bidder form of bid, price bid, quantity paper, even if this submitted in the paper form, online consider evaluation price bid.
Which way are you reading?
Page 41, my lord.
Page-
Online price financial bid.
Okay.
Have a lordship got it? Then your lordship come to the second paragraph, my lord. ITB form signing bid. That additional note 18 ITB form.
I'm not getting anything.
Your lordship.
Online price financial bid shall not be submitted on paper.
Yes. sir.
Okay, that I have read it. Then
Next, your lordship come to the second paragraph. Bidders need not be form of bid paper form. Even
bidder
if-
did not submit
Yes.
form of bid and price bid of
Yes.
quantities in
Yes,
paper
your
form.
lordship come to the next paragraph. That is important, my lord. Format signing, an online form to be filled up by the bidder has digitally signed as per procedure described your user guideline. Your lordship kindly come to the his document. Yes. And your lordship come to the next, my lord, also. 19 point, next page, 42. Notes. 19.1, 19 for apply to all document comprising technical bid, financial bid. 19.5, 19.8 online bid form. Then your lordship come to the 19.5. Bidder shall fill up following procedure for e-tendering. The bidder shall generate bid has following procedure online bid preparation and digitally sign his own digital certificate, submit as per bidding document. Then 19, the bidder shall decrypt the bid, submit it encrypted form as per online bidding procedure. I am come to 19.5, 19 along with conjoining this, my lord. Your lordship kindly come to the 144. Yes, my lord. Have your lordship got it?
Just a minute. Yes.
Lordship, kindly go to the whole document, my lord. I want to submit first point, my lord. There is no digital signature in that particular document, my lord. If he has to follow, my lord, he has to follow as a whole, my lord. Not, my lord, appropriate and reappropriate at the same time, my lord. That is my submission. Second, my lord, he said this document they religiously followed to the all contractor, my lord. Your lordship, kindly look. No witness. Where I am my case witness. No address. No digital signature. Not fill up the column of review committee expert. Then you will page 6, para 6, madam, of that document. We accept appointment of so and so as dispute review expert, madam. If your lordship, he said, this is a part of tender document, I have already there. That online document which is available, it should be decrypted. Thereafter, after filling up, it is encrypted. This particular document which he is asked, my lord, this is not part of tender document, my lord, because I have annexed all the document. That document, we have to give the PDF without any password. That can be opened at any time. Because I am submitting before your lordship, is there a reason behind it? You can, your lordship, that they can modify the bid before opening of the bid, my lord. I can show your lordship.
No, that is a tender condition.
Tender condition, my lord, 13.2 has said before opening the bid that can be opened. If my client has
No, that can be modified.
yes, my lord, my client has put up the red, that can be modified. And thereafter, my lord, what happened after modification, new bid has come, my lord. Moment my client has been given, I also argued on that, my lord, that my client has properly filled up these things, my lord. When my client has said that section 7, my bid is, price bid is in section 7, then they become, my lord, confused. If your lordship go to the, my lord, his price bid, section 6 price bid, and his section 7 document, difference is 3 crore. Lordship, understand my point, no? That is my submission.
So you say that there is a price difference between BOQ and the price bid.
Yes, my lord. And there is a one condition, one I have declared, and then my lord, before opening my price bid, they have to satisfy that I have properly fill up all the form. That is condition. 13.1. 13.1. Your lordship, kindly come to the page. Open 22.5, my lord.
Page?
Page, my lord, 59, my lord. No, it too. Yeah, I shall show, my lord, later on, my lord. My humble submission, my humble submission before your lord, they have satisfied authority on my bit of document, my lord. And thereafter, my encrypted financial bid, my lord, has been opened. And thereafter, I was declared an L1. And when they declared as an L1, my lord, now they cannot change the position, my lord.
Where is that L1
Yes, my lord.
declaration?
I don't know, Yes, fine. Your lordship, kindly come to the 136.
1?
36. And 36. Mega electrical.
Just a minute.
Eleven crore 89 lakh 06040 L1 bid rank. Gautam Construction 11 crore 99,5936101 L2 and Assam Electrical Store 133,276 L3 rank.
Now, according to him, whose bid is allowed to be modified?
My humble submission before your lordship is there. I was L1, L2, L3.
No, that is fine.
Yes.
That we understand. You
Yes, sir.
said that somebody's bid was allowed to be modified. Whose?
No, there is a possibility
Oh,
that.
possibility, forget
No,
for a time.
my lord, your lordship, kindly, what is the malified exercise of power collateral purpose? I am argued on that point, my lord.
No, that we understand.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chaudhuri,
Yes, sir.
please kindly understand. Is it your case that in exercise of that power where there is a probability of manipulation, the bid has been manipulated?
That is malified, my
And
lord.
by manipulation, you have been brought to L2 or L3. Is it your case? If it is not your case, why should you go to that? Please tell us.
My humble submission before your lordship is that, my lord.
There is a scope,
Yes, my lord.
one aspect. There
Yes,
is a scope,
Yes,
and
sir.
that has been done.
Yes, sir.
In your case, that has not been done. Because already they have said L1, L2, L3.
Yes, sir. Lord.
3%.
Yes, my lord.
So why should we go to that argument?
Yes, my lord. One point is there, my lord.
What is that point?
I am coming another point, my lord.
No, let us, so we'll close this point.
Fine.
We'll close this point because according to 136, you are L1, L2, L3.
Yes, my lord.
So there is no doubt that you are L1.
Yes, my
So
lord.
therefore, when according to there is a scope of manipulation and price that they have not done. So if they have not done, that tender condition is not under challenge. So that is not necessary for this determination. In a given case, of course, suppose you would have challenged this tender condition.
I think to his document is concerned, my lord.
No, that we are coming.
Yes,
That will coming.
Digital signature is mandatory, my lord.
So therefore,
Yes, sir.
there are two aspects now, confined to two aspects. One is financial bid submission in the form. Okay. And other part is that there is no digital signature.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And till now,
No digital signature, no witness.
no, wait, yes,
Three, four
yes,
point I have mentioned.
defect.
Yes.
Now, then, if all defects are said to be defect,
Yes, my lord.
then what is the course of action? Let us assume that these are the defects.
Yes, my lord.
L2 could not, L2 price bid ought to have been rejected.
Right.
L2 or L3, whosoever, whose digital signature is not there. And at the same time, your bid is also liable to be rejected because not filing the form. Okay. In that situation, what Writ Court will do? What kind of order you are expecting?
I'm expecting, my lord, his bid should also go. This is my prayer, my lord.
That therefore, his
Right,
bid
my
should
lord.
also go. Your is already gone. So his should also go.
Go, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Now, what is the stage?
Stage is, my lord, in this tender, my lord. There.
Have you taken any decision to reject his bid?
My lord, yes, my lord. So
Where is that decision?
that part, my lord, is not impugnated.
No, he has not, because his whole case is that see, I am L1, L2, L3, three are there. My bid is sought to be rejected.
There is
My
a one condition. After they satisfied, the bid will be open. Because after they look the BOQ, bid form of bid, my lord. After they satisfy form of bid, my lord, they open this encrypted price bid. That is my case, my lord. They have subsequently they said that this is not good. That is my case. This is one condition, my lord.
Okay, now let us understand the things properly.
Yes, sir.
You come to page 41.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gogoi will also take note of it.
Yes, my lord.
come to
Yes, my lord.
page 37. So it is an invitation for bid. Page 41 starts with the general conditions. Okay? Then page 44 starts with the details.
Index.
Index. This is the index.
Yes, my lord.
Here are certain section 9, 10 sections. Okay?
Yes,
So first is section 1,
yes, my lord.
which says instruction to bidder
Yes, my lord.
for our relevancy. Section 6 says form of bid. Section 7 says bill of quantity, and section 9 says document to be furnished by the bidder. Okay, let us see what are the documents. Now come to instruction to bidder clause B, which is
Page 10. my lord.
which is at page 10. Now kindly come to page 52.
Before that, my
Page,
lord,
page 8.
one thing, my lord, 22.2, I have said page 58. Just for 1 minute, my lord. Page
Yes.
58,
Page?
58, 22.2, page 58.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Withdrawal.
No, my lord.
Bid opening and evaluation.
Bid opening and evaluation.
Page,
Page 58, my lord.
58. Yes, I am 58
ma'am.
here.
Yes,
Bid
ma'am.
opening and evaluation.
Yes, my lord. Then your lordship come to that part, my lord. 22.2. Yes, my lord.
Envelope marked as withdrawal.
Open. Bid for which an acceptable notice has been submitted pursuant shall
Withdrawal is, my lord, it is the bidder who will have to give that, my lord. But it
If
is
bid
withdrawing.
for which an acceptable notice of withdrawal has been submitted.
That is notice of withdrawal. If
shall
somebody
not be
says
opened.
withdraw,
Yes, my lord.
how it is relevant? Huh?
Yes, my lord. Let's come. Next, my lord.
If you want some time, we can give you if you want to properly prepare.
22.3, last minute, my lord.
Yes.
The envelope containing technical bill will be opened. Inner envelope marked. Cost of document will be opened first. The cost of bidding document is not there, incomplete. Remaining bid will not be opened. And
This
bid
is
will be
technical
rejected.
bid. This is technical bid,
No.
not price bid.
Technical bid.
Technical,
Yeah,
the
but
envelope
technical-
containing technical bid.
No, man, next bid. That inner
Next
envelope
which-
document is not there, incomplete. The remaining bid will not be. The amount, form and validity of bid security.
That
submitted
bid security.
Yes, my lord, will be announced.
Bid
Yes.
security and valid.
If the bid security funding does not conform the specified and has not been funded in the specific clause 16, the remaining technical bid and seal financial be returned to the bidder.
So if
Yes.
technical bid, this is not satisfied, even everything will be returned.
Form of bid, my lord. The what? Again, I read, my
No,
lord.
no.
Yes.
That is a part relating
Yes,
to
sir.
technical bid.
No, my lord.
Security and-
Here, look.
Okay, you read slowly, Mr. Chaudhuri. We are have
Yes,
enough
so-
time for you.
So bid,
Let
evaluate,
us-
page 58.
Let us read together.
Yes, together, my lord.
Together.
Bid, evaluate, page 58. Bid
No, don't jump. From the 22.3, we'll have to read as a whole.
as a whole. my
Okay.
lord. Yes.
The envelope containing technical bid shall be opened.
Stop.
Okay, stop.
Yes, my lord.
The inner envelope marked
Yes.
cost of bidding document downloaded from internet.
Yes.
Because there is a condition in general condition where it said you'll have to declare that you have paid the cost of bid.
Yes.
So this is receipt if gone. Will be opened first. So whether you have paid first, this is checked. And if this cost of the bidding document is not there or incomplete, the remaining bid document will not be opened and bid will be rejected. So first they will have a, let us understand, first they will have a satisfaction that you have paid the price of bid. Second, the amount, form and validity of bid security furnished with each bid will be announced. So what will be announced? The validity of the bid security furnished of each bidder.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. If bid security furnished does not confirm the amount
Yes, my lord.
specified in the bid has not been furnished in the form of specified clause 16, the remaining
My lord, what has been done? Yes, sir.
Ah,
Has been
the
financed.
remaining technical bid and sealed financial bid will be returned.
Yes.
So till now, financial bid is sealed.
No, financial business has been open.
No, as per clause
Yes,
22.3,
yes.
it is still under seal.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be returned to you if you don't know how it is relevant in this,
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
case. That's why I'm saying if you want some time, we can give you.
Sorry.
Okay, now come to the general.
Yes, my lord.
Now, page 41,
Yes, my lord.
online price financial bid.
Yes, my lord.
See, Mr. Gogoi,
Well,
otherwise everything is fine. You tell us,
Well.
in the general page 41, you say that there will be a form available in the internet, as we understand.
well,
Suppose BOQ.
Yes.
BOQ, you will have to just enter the data.
no, BOQ will have to download PDF form. Particular form is in the PDF form. We'll have to, my lord, click it.
Then how will you say online price financial bid shall not be submitted on paper?
No, it will have to be uploaded.
Understand?
Yes.
Bidder need not submit form of bid and price bid of quantities in paper form.
No, my lord, here what will happen is, it will be, moment we click it, the form will come in the screen. But we will have to fill it there.
My lord, this is not a part of tender. Here is no page number. Format has been given.
No, no, that I'll show you.
Yes.
That I'll show. Okay. Now, then I'll satisfy.
No.
Okay. Bid documents. Come to clause B, page, clause B of the instruction to bidders. Clause B. Page, internal page is 17. So, bid documents, page 17. Okay. Kindly come to page 16.
Lordship is talking about the internal page.
Internal page 16.
Yeah.
We'll go by the internal page of
My
bid document.
Bid document.
B, bidding documents. And page 11 says what should be the necessary things.
Lordship.
Okay. So clause B say bidding documents. Kindly come to the form. The set of bidding documents comprising the documents listed below and agenda issued according to clause 10. Serial number 6,
My lord.
form of bid.
Yes.
Okay. Now you come to page 54, preparation of bid, clause 6.
My lord.
Part 2 shall be named financial bid and shall comprise form of bid as specified in section 6.
Not applicable. It's a tendering. MA.
Okay. Not applicable in case of internet. Price bid should be price bid of quantities items specified under section 6. So according to you, BOQ and price bid is not necessary.
No,
Not applicable.
no,
Yes,
my
sir.
lord. That's why it's blank in the, my lord.
I am
You can
under
upload.
this condition, my lord.
No. Therefore, then why have you uploaded this BOQ and
Yes, my
form?
lord, that thing I am submitting, my lord.
Mm.
If your lordship go to the filling the tender,
Mm.
when you automatically section 7 document, it is a computer generated document, my lord.
Mm.
I am submitting the word computer generated document.
Mm.
And if computer generated document I have fill up, automatically computer will take up, my lord.
Mm.
But this form of bill, you have to manually submit before the court. Suppose, my lord.
Mm.
Again, suppose saying, my lord, is they have
Now come to the okay, fine.
and
Now,
kindly come on, next line. In case of discrepancy between two, one submitted online will govern. Which is online means let them submit. If he said both are online, then which should be online?
no. There a provision because in the bid itself provision that you will have to subsequently file a paper
Paper.
bid.
Two sets.
Two sets.
Paper is not necessary.
No, two sets. That I'm sure I've gone through. I think you have not gone through it. That is a condition.
Yes, ma'am.
Two parts. Now come to bid prices. 13.1. The contract shall be for the whole work as described in so and based on price bill of quantity submitted by the bidder.
It is section 7 only.
Section 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to subpara. The bidder must quote. Read it. The bidder must quote his bid price in section 6, form of bid, both in figure and words, which is to be duly signed by the bidder. A financial bid without any mention of bid price in the form of bid shall be treated as non-responsive and shall not be considered for evaluation. So therefore, your bid is gone.
No, ma'am. I am submitting next line. If he is taken, my lord, hold the paragraph.
No, no, his bid is gone. We will come to later
madam.
on.
A
Your bid
finance-
is gone.
Bid financial don't mention the bid price. I have mentioned the bid price. Bid price which has been mentioned in
No,
section
no,
7.
see,
that is my
bidder
bid price.
must quote his bid price in section C form. Both in figure and words. Your bid nowhere says figure and words. My bid will be as per BOQ. This
Yes,
is
madam.
your declaration.
That will argue on later on. If you
No,
look
not
at-
later on. This is the whole case. They have
Yes.
rejected your bid.
The second line, madam,
That project,
that's the
I-
mandatory part. The financial bid without any mention of,
Mention of bid price in
in the
form
form
bid
shall be
shall be
treated.
treated as
this is
non-responsive.
mandatory part,
Yes,
not
my-
my lord signature and all, my lord. This
Yes,
is the,
my lord.
my lord, it is mentioned in the
That
clause.
is the thing, my lord. That
He
is the
cannot
thing.
insert
Now he is,
something which is-
yesterday he is
Mr.
arguing.
Chaudhary, I am saying, as requesting you time and again, please satisfy your case first, then we'll go to them.
That I am submitting before your lordship.
This condition says bidder must quote the bid price in form 6, section 6.
Yes, my lord.
Admittedly, you have not quoted.
He has not admittedly not signed.
We
that.
are going to him that
Yes, my lord.
I am like this, Mr. Chaudhary.
My humble submission.
I am failed because of
Yes,
the
my lord.
others.
No, my lord.
Yes.
Suppose, my lord, I am saying, my lord, suppose an advertiser has been called, my lord. I am going to the judgment also, my lord.
Oh,
I-
judgment will come later
Yes,
on.
my lord.
When we are in
Suppose,
difficulty,
my lord,
then only we'll see
yes, my
judgment.
lord. Suppose, my lord, for my lord, advertisement and post for the, my lord, professor. MSc degree is necessary, my lord. I took the MSc degree after the advertisement. Your lordship said that my MSc degree could not be considered after it. But he is BSc. Does it mean, my lord, he can take the job, my lord? They want to say always that thing, my lord. Negative equality. That is not negative equality because as per my lord, Central Coalfield has categorically stated to satisfy all the bidders, not said that the person who filed the case he should satisfy. That is the, my lord, Central Coalfield line, my lord. I have gone through it, my lord. I have also, my lord, given my written submission. Secondly, this is two judges bench, my lord, Central Coalfield. First, they have to satisfy Tata Cellular. Whether this is the Malafide.
Now come to page 133. Internal 98. We'll go to the judgment later on when we are in difficulties. That we do not know where to go. There is a confusion in our mind that what is the law. Is not it? Then we'll go for now you will lay the law. Yes.
I cannot,
Now
my lord.
come to the index first. Is 98, is not it?
I am Citra Koryo, Lordship is a Jama.
Page 133. What is this? Tell us.
In the form specified in section 8.
Page 133.
Qualification info supporting document specified section 2. Certificate undertaken affidavit section 2. Undertaken bid remain valid for the period of
See.
15 months.
Page 133. Internal page 98.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
Now documents comprising the bid.
yes, my lord.
See document comprising the bid. It says part is technical. We are not on technical. Go to the second. Part 2 shall be named financial bid and shall comprise. What is the comprise? Form of bid as specified in section 6.
Yes, my lord. I am coming section 6.
No, I have seen that. That is blank.
That is blank.
That is blank.
Yes.
That is blank. But in the list that there is a PDF. Now we'll come to that later on.
Yes, sir.
And second said price bill of quantities for terms specified in section 7.
Yes, sir.
You have given section 7, you have given section 6 also. And admittedly, the form he has given and the form submitted by 3 of you, language is replica. Where did you get the same certificate?
No, I never said.
Number 1.
Yes.
Number 2 is in that form, though there is a gap for quoting price in numeric as well as in words, you have not done that.
What respondent number 10 has done.
According to them, respondent number 10 signature, since there is already the digital signature, signature is required. And that is not a mandatory condition.
How can they say in the
No,
same condition?
No. In terms of that, where is the provision?
No, my lord. I am again read my lord, 13.2.
13.2, yes.
Yes, my lord. Where is that? It is not mandatory, my lord.
Read it. They have ignored the signature. They have only given mandatory to to quote
Yes, sir.
right bid, then only it will be rejected, not for want of signature.
Without mention bid price in the form of shall be nominated before that, my lord.
Hmm.
The bidder must, the
Yes.
word has been called must,
Hmm.
not shall.
Yes,
His price bid section 6 form of bid in figure and
so
word,
emphasis is on,
who is duly signed.
which is duly signed.
Where is that?
No, they say this is because they are qualified by the second line. A financial bid without any mention of bid price in the form bid shall be treated as non-responsive. They are not saying that it is not be. They have made two distinctions. One is that what you should do, and when it will be non-responsive, under what condition. So they have given the condition when it will be non-responsive.
If your lordship, my lord, they consider one part of the document, my lord,
No.
and not consider other part of the document, I am saying that is my humble submission before your lordship. As per this condition, it is, if it is necessary for me, then it was price and figure, that is one line, comma, which is to be duly signed by the bidder. That is one line, my lord.
Okay, fine. That is fine. There is
Yes, my
no
lord.
problem on that.
Yes, my lord.
But they have qualified what they have defined what should be non-responsive in this regard. Tell us.
Say, my lord, a financial without mention the
No,
bid price.
read slow, Mr. Chaudhary. Read slow. Read slow.
A financial bid
Ah.
without any mention of bid price in the form of shall be treated non-responsive.
That is only, they have not said without signature. They have said only when it is bid price in the form of bids shall be treated as non-responsive.
If your lordship, my humble submission before your lordship, it is up to your lordship.
No, it's not up to
Yes, my lord.
up to me.
Yes, my lord.
Because
But-
law is well settled
Yes,
that
sir.
they are the best judge to how to treat their own document.
I have coming, my lord. 3 judges judgment, my lord.
Mm.
Because I have what they have said about the form of bid and other, all are one judge's judgment, my lord. Yeah. Tata Cellular, my lord. One I have mentioned Central Goldfield.
Mm.
It should be satisfied by all bidder, not by one bidder.
Yes,
Last
of
line,
course.
paragraph 53, your lordship has gone through this.
Mm.
It should be satisfy all bidder.
Mm.
So, my humble submission before your lordship is that
Mm.
I have, my lord, if your lordship in the computer, with a big judgment, I have 11 paragraph, I have taken them.
Which one?
Tata Cellular.
Huh.
This is 3 judges judgment, my lord.
Mm. Mm.
It was therefore High Court Delhi the decision of the government of selecting 8% to show for cities is bad following bias, invoking some hidden criteria, irrelevant collision, bypassing selection committee, selecting otherwise underqualified bidders. The lottery has got.
So therefore, we'll have to come to
Yes.
first a conclusion that they
Yes.
are underqualified.
Yes, my lord.
According to them, they say that signature in the bid quality, digital signature is there, digital signature is not mentioned therein, and that is a curable, that is not a mandatory condition, and this will not
That is
make.
mentioned in the tender process. They have
They-
not
they-
filed the affidavit also, my lord. They have not filed the affidavit.
So we'll
also.
issue a notice.
My humble submission before your lordship is that, my lord. If they have said that this is not mandatory, my lord, then that is different aspect of the matter. My humble submission, if your lordship go to the bid price, section said bid 13 crore, and this bid form of bid 17 crore. Just like this document falls in football player. We go to ball that player and go to this player. And there is a section 7 is the final document. 1.1 has said, you have a lordship comment, 13.1, my lord. All way, my lord, 13.1 document is necessary, my lord.
That's
That
true,
is-
because ultimately whatever price you quote will
Yes.
not be the actual price.
Yes.
Actual price will be the BOQ.
Yes.
But they want that there should not be any dispute. Therefore, you will have to declare it by word and by things along with the BOQ.
That
And
is-
when there will be two differences, BOQ
Yes.
and price bid,
Yes, sir.
then BOQ will be the actual price.
The difference is 3 crore, my lord.
But they will have to accept this to be the
They accept whole to him, my lord, not accept me. my lord. That is my submission. Your logic, anyway, I am coming in law. So manipulated their criteria evolve, whereas tailor-made knock out the petitioner before the High Court and resulting in knocking out the petitioner. Have your logic?
yes.
Para 13, my lord. Has
Apparently, it was asked by the
Yes,
Delhi High
sir.
Court.
So para 14.
Hmm.
So manipulating thereby criteria evolve, whereas tailorment by the petitioner of the High Court and resulting in knocking of the petitioner in case of Telecom Limited and Telecom etc. larger than it was higher grade. If the bid was not considered on technical flimsy reason in that compliance settlement required furnished bid was not complete. And digital system contended that is technically left out certain wrong premises. Then your lordship come to the Melon, page 669, para 45. This court could interfere with the following categories. Have your lordship got it?
Paragraph
Last time.
49.
Page 45.
45.
Last
The
page.
alternate submission. This
Yeah.
court could interfere in the following three categories.
Quasi judicial,
Uh,
administrative, for example, price fixing, award of contact. Here the matter in relation to award contact, judicial review does not mean court should take over the contracting power. The parameter of interference of the matter would be mala fide, bias and arbitrary.
yes.
That's fine.
Hmm.
Then your lordship come to the Melon. Next.
Hmm.
677. Committed that 77(3) committed a breach of rule of natural justice. This decision with no reasonable tribunal would have reached abusive power.
Hmm.
Illegality, that means decision maker must understand correctly the law. Before that, they have to correctly understand the law. My learned friend has said, no, I have taken this part, not that part.
No, he's not says that. He has, what he has said is that in terms of clause 13.2, the non-responsiveness is made relatable to mention of bid price. Mention of bid price,
Yes.
according to him.
Fraction figure is not that not necessary. If your lordship taken the digital signal, fraction figure is not there. I mentioned the bid price. I have stated the red quoted is my bid price in my document. Lordship kindly understand my argument. This is my argument. If fraction figures your lordship will not take, my lord, the digital signature will not, that fraction figures also not take. I have mentioned my bid price. What happened in the set that my bid price, my lord.
In the
That's-
form of bid.
Yes, sir, in the form of bid, my lord. If they, by first line, I say, if your lordship again go, that part.
Where is the form of bid, Mr.
Melon.
Form of bid downloadable?
Yes, I have it.
You have rejected his price bid.
Yes.
Any decision?
That part probably, they are yet to, they will have to seek the approval from the government and all, then only will come into force. Directly he has approached the honorable court, because he is aware, being a participant in the tender process.
That he also, my lord, presumption. I said my humble submission before.
No, it is a fact that he will, his bid
He is
not be
asking for my lord, before rejecting my bid, he's asking for my lord, কি কয় এইটো? Price escalation, my lord, price justification. How can they ask, my lord? They can do anything, my lord.
No, this
Yes, sir.
don't make this kind of argument.
sir.
They can do anything.
Yes, my lord.
We do not want emotional
Sorry,
argument.
sorry, my lord.
We do not
Sorry.
want emotional
Sorry.
argument. We are in a court of law.
Sorry, my lord. I'm extremely sorry.
What is this dispute review expert?
That was also not filled up.
Which clause?
The sixth, madam.
Hmm?
Or it's, in the form, there is a section, line,
Hmm.
column, where it will be. have to
Under
fill
which provision this is given?
up. That part, my lord, it will be, yes, my lord. Dispute resolution clause will be there.
Sir.
36, I propose, my lord.
Hmm?
Page 63. Page 63.
So I think you have appointed somebody.
Yeah, he says, my lord, the special chief engineer PWD buildings, Sanmari, so proposes
So
that
somebody may
it
accept
will
and
be-
somebody may not
yes.
accept.
I said that what they have appointed, my lord, I agree, but he has.
That is not such a, my lord, condition that for non-filling of that, my lord.
That,
You file an affidavit.
Lordship will kindly see, my lord, in the form of bid, financial bid, the financial bid has not been quoted. Then what we'll do with that particular form?
that digital
Even
signature,
if he
my lord,
gives
same
the,
line.
my lord, even
That
if
was
he
not
gives the
separate line.
digital signature without the quoted rate, my lord, what is the purpose of that form?
But you have an option of to go to the BOQ.
And my lord,
We have already mentioned in the tender condition.
One
I
thing-
have already mentioned in the tender.
That
condition
is
that
aware
if
of that.
So we'll have, if we read the tender condition as a whole, so you say that BOQ, and if there is a difference between price in the form 6 and BOQ, you will go by the BOQ.
My lord.
So if you read that way, it will not be a fatal condition. Even if there can be mistake, you will not go by that price.
Lordship will see, my lord, in that case, clause 44.
Yes.
Lordship, I am pointing out one. Regarding correction part, page
Correction,
60, page 60.
page 60.
Yes, internal page 25. Clause 26, correction of errors. Financial bid determined to be substantially responsive will be checked by special sim engineer so and so for any arithmetical error. Errors shall be corrected by the special sim engineer PWD so and so as follows. So these are given. So there is a provision, my lord.
as per this clause, my lord, if there is a dispute between facts, arithmetics and, my lord, words, then words will be prevail. But here arithmetics also wrong in form of bit, and, my lord, and word also wrong. Because as per bill of quantities.
That I will clarify, my lord, if that is the ground. But my lord, the fact remains.
Mostly, we want, see, it's before a courts of law. He may be out of the court. No problem on that. But at the same time, when it comes before us, we'll have to see whether it is followed. Suppose where a sanction will remain, if you say that his bill of quantity is 1 crore and his offer price is in L1, his offer price is 80 lakhs. You will go by L1. Moment you go L1, subsequently
When
it
if
will
we
be a public.
accept it, my lord, that it is 13 crores, then the L3 will get, my lord, he will become L3
So
and
therefore,
L3 will
that's-
become
that-
L2.
You have,
In
whether
the
you,
case-
where is your decision? That you have selected so and so to be
So that I
responsive.
will clarify, my lord, because on that day only on this point. Form of
So
bid-
because see, we want to know what is the stage.
Lordship.
Suppose you say that we have decided that this his bid and the others bids are non-responsive because of this, so and so bid is responsive, so we are sending it. That will be another thing. And if you say that we have given our recommendation, we have sent it to the special secretary. Special secretary will take a final call. Then this matter may be a premature one. So that is what we want.
My lord, my instruction, my lord, whatever I have received is that, my lord, the bid of the petitioner, financial bid, because of this, my lord, reason for non-mentioning.
Anything on
I will
record, so
say
that
so.
he also gets a we want
yes,
a reason.
In that case,
Because
Lordship will
till
come-
now there is no reason except your argument.
Lordship.
That must be something even to uphold or to reject, that this is the reason is sustainable or not sustainable.
No, my lord, there are judgments to show that in a commercial contract, petitioner will first have to show that he is
No,
bona
that we
fide, he is
understand. That
a valid bidder.
that we understand.
Only in that case, he can challenge someone, my lord. Here is a case.
So
my lord,
therefore
where
we'll examine,
apparently-
we'll passing an
So he cannot
interim
question
order.
the other bidders.
Yes, my lord, that is I said MSc pass metric, but that is, hey, why? That Central Coalfield has said, you have to verify all the bidders, not one bidders. That is the judgment.
No,
And
no.
what is the three judges bench? What he said about all the two judges judgment, my lord. And if the three judges to the official liquidator will come, my lord.
You file a affidavit.
My lord, I will file it.
Because we know the urgency 12 marks work,
Yes, ma'am.
12 marks completion. When can you file this affidavit?
By 7 days. Lordship, by Monday, coming Monday, I can file it.
Okay, Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel for the state respondent. Though on instruction submits that the petitioner's bid, financial bid is has already been treated as non-responsive
Fine.
for not uploading the price bid in the form prescribed under section 6 of the ITB, IFB. It
Yes.
is IFB. However, no such reason is discernible, and therefore Mr. Gogoi submits that he may be granted a week's time to file an affidavit and to produce the record as regards the decision of the committee. What is the committee? Bid evaluation committee.
Financial bid evaluation.
Financial bid evaluation commission. Accordingly, matters.
It will be
Same committee, bid evaluation committee. List this matter on.
by 16th, I will file it. Madam.
17, 18,
List this matter on.
18.
Reply the
Oh,
On
reply,
Thursday,
I'm
that
reply
will
him
go-
now.
on 19, madam.
On 19.
List this matter on 19. You will file by.
16th, I will file.
Let this matter be listed on 19th. Mr. Gogoi submits that he will file the affidavit by 16th of
Takes, my lord.
Huh?
Takes.
That's the motion date.
16th of
September.
16th of September. Full stop. 16th of September. Full stop. The affidavit shall amongst other incorporate the incorporate whether not necessary. Let them see what they say.
Entire
What
whatever
they say.
environment is there, my lord, we will counter.
Yes.
Because various allegations have been.
My lord, that will done, my lord.
The earlier interim order they'll not do, but still, yeah, already we have passed it on.
My lord, will say, my lord, in that case, my lord,
Mr. Gogoi, learned standing council, submits that he has instruction to submit that till the next date, no work order will be issued.
my lord, will be on 20.
List this matter on, not 19. You want when?
23, my lord.
23 is a Monday, my lord. Let it be on Tuesday, 24th. The
25,
hearing.
25,
24.
25,
No, 24.
26, my lord.
26 is a difficult day. I may not be available. Huh?
25,
24th.
24. I'm
Forget
not-
about your Lakhimpur
No,
trip.
my lord, I'm looking, not my lord. This is a different.
Or 23rd, my lord, yes. Let it
23rd,
be on 23rd.
23rd as last item.
Yes, my lord.
Now we'll start the main list. Half of the day gone with Mr. Chaudhary.
Done.
No, you were supposed to bring something or file an affidavit.
It is on record, my lord. If my affidavit is on record, my lord. With a flag mark A, my lord.
Good. There is something you said that you want to do as on, what? There is something on last occasion.
That-
Yes,
that-
Mr.
I have to file the affidavit, that affidavit will file, my lord, then the flag mark, my lord, A, the affidavit, my lord.
Okay.
30%
Have you
of
got
work-
it, Mr. Whatever?
30% of work has been done, and the value of the work is around 1,49,000. 9,000. Yes. 49,000.
That's why this is the affidavit. So you just go through it.
Lords. No, your lordship, that is that 35% to 25%, whatever it is, they have, we are satisfied with that, your lordship.
So according to you, he is, what is his entitlement?
Entitlement is 30%.
30%.
He has done the work till 30% till the time, date of termination. Let's will turn to running page number 53.
I'm at 52.
53.
Okay.
That's
50.
sub-paragraph, my lord.
Okay. Valued at 1,1459.
Yes. That is the
435.
30%. That is the 30%, and taxes and everything you have to pay, then the amount will be released.
Hard. Mr. Watrakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Bora, learned standing counsel for GMC. The petitioner claims that he has executed a work for desilting, DESILT, desilting and maintenance of some city drains in Guwahati city under the GMC, Guwahati Municipal Corporation. According to him, he has not been paid the bills, paid the bills, and his contract was terminated on his contract was terminated.
12/6/2021.
Contract was terminated. In the aforesaid backdrop, the petitioner has earlier approached this course, isn't it? No,
Page nine.
you have also approached,
Yes.
page,
Page nine.
page 9. Earlier approached this court by filing WPC 3164/2021. Jitendra Saloy?
No.
3164/2024 along with some other persons. The said writ petition was disposed of by this court by a coordinate bench under its order dated 2012-2022, isn't it? Providing that
Page 17 euros.
page 17, providing that the GMC authority and GDD shall undertake a verification exercise which would verification of exercise, and on the basis of such verification, the amount due to the petitioner be paid. Full stop. In the aforesaid backdrop, the alleging violation of the aforesaid order, the present contempt petition is filed. An affidavit has been filed by the respondent GMC, and they have taken a stand that the petitioner has only completed 30% of the work awarded, and therefore after calculation, it was arrived at a value of rupees 11459,435 to be payable to the petitioner. Full stop. The aforesaid paragraph is quoted herein below. Page 53, pencil mark to pencil mark. Full stop. A copy of such report has also been annexed. Full stop. Mr. Borthakur submits that his client will be agreeable if the aforesaid amount is paid at an early date. Full stop. At this stage, Mr. Bora submits that such payment can be made when?
Well, what will try to pay paragraph number 4. This is subject to releasing by the GDD department or the Department of Housing. This they will release it, state government will release, then only you can pay. I have stated it.
Lordship will kindly see the earlier order, then
Both GDD, see who is representing GDD in contempt?
GDD is the earlier department, now it has come into Department of Housing and Urban Affairs.
Anyway, name is changed, but
The same.
earlier order.
such payment be made by the GDD as well as
We will
Presently,
get it from the
presently
GMC.
Department of Housing and Urban Affairs.
GDD / Housing and Urban Development Department in
Urban-
terms of
Department of Housing and Urban Affairs.
Department of Housing and Urban Affairs as directed in the earlier writ proceeding within a period of
Earlier order 2 months is there.
within a period of
Let it be, my lord, that we have to work out, my lord, that the. to come
see,
from
we
where?
do not want another contempt.
My lord,
That is why you
Ah.
also-
let it make, lordship will make it 3 months, my lord, because we have to work out and get the money.
within a period of 4 months
Lords.
from today. Accordingly, contempt petition stands disposed.
Otherwise again, I will have to.
This was all my lord.
This will take time. This will take time, I think, because this is today. It has to be fixed for hearing, because there were two writ petition. First writ petition which was filed is in respect of, under the PMGRY, we have been awarded with a work contract work. Now that contract work, we could not complete it. So they have issued a notice as per the terms and condition of the contract. Reply was furnished, and thereafter they have cancelled the work. Cancelled by the executive engineer. Our whole case before this court, whether he is a competent person to terminate to cancel my work. And apparently, under terms and condition, the employer has been defined in the contract data as well as terms, it is only the chief engineer. So in that view of the matter, the court said that they have to show before the court whether any approval was granted or not. that particular approval was granted to the executive engineer to terminate the contract. Now, they have come up and they have filed an affidavit. Now, in that affidavit, they have annexed one document, general document, authority in all the cases. But if you see the condition of the contract, that condition of the contract is totally different. And what they rely is on a different context in clause so and so. Now, there was an order which was passed by this-
What is your prayer here?
My prayer is that if the termination is
What
bad,
is the period?
period is gone.
Period is
gone. Now
period
the
is
problem
gone.
is that
Period is gone.
Now the
We
pro-
are
no,
here.
the problem is that they have terminated my contract. Now there's some payments are due. So if the termination is bad, because on the face of it, then whatever the payment is due, that
No,
they have
no,
to
these
pay.
are not subject matter of
They have to
litigation.
pay. They have to
If
pay.
even they dispute whether you have executed, not executed, terminated,
No, that question of dispute is that question who has terminated my contract.
no, who has terminated contract, okay, we determine
That
who
is
is,
the whole case.
who is,
No, I am not saying my lord. Your lordship is a period, your lordship is worried
period
about the
is,
period.
period is over. Period is over. Even now, what will you decide regarding termination?
It's only one point. Is regarding he is the authority to terminate our contract.
Let's see then.
That
Yes, Mr. Gogoi. And what is the next matter?
next matter is that allotment of the remaining work to a private respondent.
So that not,
That
that is
part
not,
my-
that is
that
gone.
part is,
That is gone. Don't go to the border.
Now, there is an order which has been passed by this court. My lord will kindly see the order. The order is of 27/1/2016. See the order of 27/1/2016. Lordship got it, 27/1/2016. 27/1/2016, that's the first order of this case, which has been annexed in the second writ petition.
The order starts on 3/6/2016.
27/1/2016. That your lordship will find
First order is at 3/6, which item? 2016, 395.
395.
395 is the second case.
Yes, it's the first case. First case. no?
Second case.
First case.
395 is the no, in cause list.
Oh, in the cause
Cause
list.
list,
Oh. Kindly see the order of 27/1/2016. Moreover, the employees PW acting to achieve the contractor question the authority or the executive engineer to issue the impugn cancellation. View a letter notice so and so. In the interim, the impugn order has been passed by executive engineer without due concurrence to the chief engineer. The same shall not be acted upon until the returnable date. So this order was passed on 27/1/2016, and they have filed the affidavit before this court on 9/9/2016. Now, on 9/9/2016, my lord, before that, without the leave of the court, they have issued the work order to a party. That's a different issue altogether that has been given. But the whole case here is that whether, my lord, I know, my lord, your lordship is concerned about the period part.
Not on
The
the period.
No, that, my lord, there
This
is
is not a statutory contract.
no, this is not a disputed question of fact.
No, not this, no
Either it
necessary,
will
not,
go to an
this is
arbitrator.
this is a statutory, not a non-statutory contract. We know that even in non-statutory contract, if there is termination and all, we can interfere. But whether this is a fit case where we should exercise our jurisdiction in that order of termination.
Order of termination today, if your lordship finds that he is not the authority on the face of it, then
us
the
see.
lordship will what the lordship will do.
Let us see.
No, if there is, why not, if they can show, if they can show he is the authority. why not,
Lordship,
that's
may I
a
submit,
good
Lordship? I can show that executive engineer is also the authority. There is a specific delegation notification is there of 2010.
Unfortunately, that notification is not part of the record, Lordship. I will bring that notification, I will place it before Lordship. On that particular notification, judgment of this honorable court is also there. I will place the judgment also.
When?
Next week, Lordship. Any date, Lordship.
This matter is pending since 2015. Yes, list this matter on Thursday.
It's a 2010 notification, it's a general notification, so far as
Bring the
clear,
general
clear.
notification.
Let them bring the general notification. I also know, my lord, that to what extent the court can look into this type of matter. And the period is over. That I also am aware that period is over. Normally, when the period is over, then the view of the court is the period is over. Why we will try it? Why will adjudicate the matter? Under what?
No, we can, but still problem is that when you are
The ultimate, the result, what is the result? If a lordship adjudicate also, there has to be what result?
something should be there. Ultimately, you'll have to go for claim compensation, damages, whatsoever.
That's a different, my lord, that is a different aspect. I am not troubling the court. I am only saying that if this happens, then I can, wherever I want to go, at least I can show he was not the
Subject
author.
to what you argued on Thursday, even their authority not being terminated by authority can also be a subject matter of the adjudicatory mechanism provided under the contract.
That has to be looked into it.
That can
But-
also be.
But, my lord, that can be, if it provides.
And that can be, and more particularly, you will have to address this distinction between court's judicial review. We are not on tender condition. We are on violation of terms and conditions. The termination is bad. What is the issue? Issue is that violation of a terms of a condition, that this authority is not having power, it is terminated. So admittedly, this is a non-statutory contract. And in non-statutory contract and statutory contract, there will be a difference in interfering and exercising this power of this.
But statutory contract, even if it is a non-statutory contract, it binds both the parties where the state is involved. But some-
If you can see, line of decision still MP Power Corporation.
Yes, sir.
In only MP Power Corporation, there is a slight leeway given. Till MP Power Corporation, it was almost a decision that don't touch dispute regarding terms of the contraction. But MP Power Corporation, there is a leeway where Article 14 is brought in. Except that, yes, next.
Let them show that notification, what notification they want to show.
That is the only ground.
That is why I say that's the only ground which I addressed. And to what extent?
Expiring 6.
Item number 6, my lord, we file an affidavit in reply, my lord. They have recently filed an affidavit in opposition. We want to file a reply, my lord.
Only kindly fix it there, Lord. ICOR is operating from 2018, Lord.
They have
Why have you filed affidavit recently?
No, Lord, in a new case, Lord.
5 and 6, my lord.
6 is a new case, 2014 matter.
Yes, my lord.
I filed affidavit on opposition on 16/8.
Let us take up the 5 then,
5
2018.
and 6 may be taken up together, my lord.
Why?
Let
In
it
the-
be
in-
taken,
in-
my
in
lord,
the
after
item
some
five,
time,
so
my
there's
lord.
I also.
Again, so they lead me into this, my lord.
Item 5, there is I also, that is pending for the 18.
May I
2020.
give, my lord, in nutshell, I'm giving the facts, my lord. They're going to be brief. The case is that
Nutshell in the fact is that Pamohi and something
Lots,
somewhere.
lots, lots.
80
When? Yes, tell us when.
my lord.
Okay, in write down in WPC 1330 of 2024. Mr. NNB Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, submits that an affidavit has been filed by
Marketing.
by respondent number 3 on
16/8.
on 16/8/2024. Therefore, he would like to file a reply to the aforesaid affidavit. Accordingly, press for an adjournment. Prayer stands allowed. List this matter on
List this matter on my lord. 23, my lord.
23. And it would give 6224 list along with Spencer switch.
The thing is that, my lord, he has said affidavit. Other respondent has not filed affidavit. Only he is a no
We'll see.
locus standi
We'll
body,
see.
my
No,
lord, as
what's
per, my lord.
Food Act,
They
my
are,
lord.
they
New
are,
Food Act.
we'll
They were
check.
rejecting not of
We'll see.
Previous lordship.
Yes.
Item number 7, 11 and 12 are identical, my lord.
Hmm.
Here, an identical notice has been challenged, whereby my lord will kindly see that page 10. Page 10 is the MP notice, my lord. Here, my lord,
Page,
page 10, my lord. Annexure. There is a reference of one in the reference column. Notice for vacating the allotted enclosed land of Sri Prabir Biswas and 62 families.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, you find there is made a reference of one some contempt proceeding, wherein, my lord, the petitioner is not a party and which is and basing upon that. So this notice has been issued upon us by the circle officer. Now, rights of two private parties are involved herein. So by a summary proceeding, I cannot be able.
What is the order of in the High Court? High Court's order? In which contempt has been filed?
That has not been enclosed, my lord.
You know that, yes, give that item 7 as item 8, criminal petition. Yes, who is for the respondents? Who is appearing for the respondents? Are you aware of anything of these cases? Huh? Yes. What is your stand? Who has given you the instruction? Let him be here at 2. No kindness. 2015-16 matter are pending. Give item number 9. Yes, Mr. Roy, what is your case? Where is Mr. Sahiwala?
On national hardboard filed an application for imprint. That has not been disposed of.
No, the property belongs to National Hardboard. Now, who are you? You are Home Guards.
No.
Who is
There
Home
was a
Guard?
government, national hardwood property is a different property. There was a big chunk of government land which were allotted to the petitioner. Then thereafter, the private respondent encroached that land.
Who is
by-
private respondent? Yes, Mr. Ali, you are for whom?
Our item is, your lordship, that is 7827 WPC, item number 10.
What is your case?
Yes, is your lordship. Eviction notice was served on us. Your Lordship. So in the, on that property, your lordship, it is measuring about 4 meter, 10 meter, 10 lesser. There are as many as 17 petitioners. They are occupying small plot of land, 1 kata, 1 kata, 10 lesser.
Yes.
And it is a patla land of the National Boards Limited. Your Lordship. So the state government has no role, or otherwise you are can.
Now, where is that order a petition was filed preferred by this national board? Who is representing?
Last order may be there is your lordship. It is
Last order,
on
which
15/5/2020.
which order? Which case?
It's common order, your lordship.
In which case?
It was passed on 8760 7827 80416 430 2019. So last order, your lordship, it is dated 15/5/2023. Order to Sarah.
No affidavit is filed by the state.
Yes, Lordship, we have received instructions.
25,000 cost.
Lordship, kindly, Lordship, we have received instruction as per our.
We do not know
instruction.
anything. 30,000,
Kindly take the matter after some time.
45,000. Hard.
Some time may be granted.
No time is given. Prayer for time is
Kindly fix
rejected.
the matter at two, Lordship.
What will happen at 2?
Additional senior government advocate will appear. Senior government.
No,
DMAC
no,
will
you are
appear.
not sincere. Government is not sincere in all these matters.
Lordship,
Tell me the writ petitions. Mr. Jalan, your case is 2281. 2281.
No, my lord, it is not right. 8760.
8760 Jalan. Just write it down.
Item
Write it down.
11/430/19.
8760 Jalan. Mr. Roy?
My item is 9.
No, give us the writ petition number.
804, Lordship.
The WPC
804.
804
804 of 2016.
2016. And Mr. Ali, your case number?
Case number, case number 1 is, your Lordship, it is 7827.
7827 and
2281, your Lordship.
2281.
19.
19. Who representing WPC 430?
430 and 433. I am appearing, my lord.
430 and 433, Mr. Jalan. So all are completed.
May it please your lordship.
7827, who is representing 7827?
Yes, I am representing.
Ali.
Yes.
Then 7827 Ali, 8760
Myself, my lord.
Jalan, 430 Jalan, 433 Jalan. Mr. Roy, SP Roy?
804.
804. And 2281?
2281, I am representing.
Ali 2281. 3461?
The M. Kotoki's name is shown here.
None appears. 3461.
may I
So,
please, Lordship?
so these people are possessing a plot of land. They are sought to be evicted on the ground that this land belongs to National Board of something. Okay. Somebody claims it is a patta land. Somebody says it is this kind. Is not it?
As Lordship, may I please, Lordship, as per our instruction, it is government land. Lordship,
We do not know where is your affidavit.
kindly short time.
No
accommodate,
short
Lordship.
time. Heard Mr. S. Ali appearing for Swensu. Mr. S.P. Roy appearing in Swensu. Mr. G. Jalan appearing in Swensu. None appears for the petitioner in WPC Swensu. Also heard MS S. Borua, Learned Counsel for
District Commissioner, Circular.
Hmm?
DC and District Commissioner and Circular.
District Commissioner, Kamrup Metro,
Yes, Lordship.
as well as the Circle Officer,
Sandrapur Revenue.
Sandrapur Revenue Circle. This court, under its order dated, M. Kotoki is present, M. Kotoki for Swensu. This court, under its order dated 02/2021, directed the stand government advocate to obtain instruction from the Deputy Commissioner, Kamrup Metro, whether the present petitioners are occupying ceiling surplus land which stood in the name of National Board of Board Private Limited, and to satisfy this court and to verify whether any ceiling cases under Assam Fixation of Ceiling on Land Holding Act 1956 is pending in respect of the land standing in the name of the said company. Full stop. Accordingly, full stop. these writ petitions are pending since 2018. And the aforesaid order was passed on 2/2/2021. However, no affidavit has been filed clarifying the aforesaid position. Subsequently, by an order dated 19/3/2021, further times were granted to file affidavit. However, till date, no affidavit has been filed. Therefore, also at this stage, S. Borua Learned Counsel, S. Borua Learned Counsel representing the Deputy Commissioner and Circle Officer submits that she may be granted. How much time?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit, full stop. Considering the long pendency of the matter and the aforesaid order, the prayer is allowed with a cost of rupees 20,000, which is to be deposited in the account of the Guwahati High Court Employees Association within before the next date fix. If such amount is not deposited, no affidavit will be accepted by the registry, and this court may pass further course of further order on the next date fix. List this matter on after 2 weeks.
Lordship, in item number 8, my senior colleague name is reflected, but petitioner withdraw the file from us.
We do not know. Go to the registry, file application and give us a report that you have withdrawn and accepted. Yes, 24th.
Lord, there is an implement application,
Who want to get implemented?
national.
You are national board. Okay, I'm putting in. Mr. Kotoke, Learned Counsel for the National Board of
National Board Limited.
National Board Limited has filed a present IA 773 in
19.
item number 773.
9.
Full stop. 776/2019 804. Full stop. Implement petition. Full stop. According to the pleadings made in the petition discloses that the applicant pleading made in the application discloses that the applicant might be affected if any order is passed in this writ petition. Accordingly, in the connected writ petition, accordingly, the present application stands allowed by incorporating
National Board Limited.
National Boards. Where we will get the detailed address?
My lord, National Board Limited, Panikheti, Guwahati will be sufficient.
National Boards Limited, Panikheti, Guwahati, be implemented as respondent number
8.
Respondent number
8.
Respondent number 8. National Board address. Where is the address? Your address?
My lord, my address is there only in the beginning. I mean,
National Boards Limited. Silo page paragraph page 4. Formerly Assam Hardboard Limited. In a company incorporated and having its registered office at Panikheti, Guwahati 7810026 and having its head office at 5 Fancy Land, Kolkata, and represented by its director and authorized secretary Sri Raj Kumar Bajaj. Registry to correct the cost title accordingly and correct cost title accordingly.
IA is disposed of.
Notices will go, madam. Notice will go, or I'll receive the copy.
Notice will go to whom?
The National Board.
You are the National Board. What notice will go?
My lord, he may
Well-
serve, well, he may be director, serve me a copy of the report.
Copy I'll sir.
That much is okay.
You know what is the contents of the writ petition, what copy?
No,
You have even lost your IA. We are not here to help you on that count. You manage yourself. You are not even having the IA. Yes.
Well, in the first case, the petitioner is a company and petitioner number two.
So cause issued.
Yes.
Now, have you
Yes.
replied?
Yes, Lord, it said there is some development in between.
Yes.
Lord, what has happened? The bank has, Lord, gone under the IBC code, Lord. And Lord, they have started the resolution process. In that, we as a MSME, Lord, we had bidded. The tribunal has recommended our proposal. Thereafter, they went into appeal before the NCLAT, Lord. And in that process, Lord, a liquidation process was also initiated. Ultimately, Lord, the order of the NCLT was interfered with by NCLAT, Lord. Thereafter, the matter was remanded back. And recently on 38th, my lord, an order has been passed for carrying out the liquidation process, my lord. And we are the suspended directors of the company, my lord. Now, because of these developments, my lords, perhaps, my lord, the petitioner number one, my lord, we cannot represent, my lord. It has to be either represented by a liquidator.
Forget about petitioner number one. What remains in this petition? If it is under liquidation.
Lord, so far, my lord, process is concerned, my lord, it's a process also initiated against the petitioner. So far as first writ petition is concerned, my lord, there is no jurisdiction so far as SFIO is concerned, my lord. We are basically grievance, have
You
grievance.
are an individual, individual or you are the company before this court?
Petitioner number one is the company, the other writ petitioner, the other petitioners are also the directors and individuals.
Okay.
Because, my lord, the willful default order has been passed against both, my lord, because the loan was taken.
So understand now, what is the entity of this? What survives? Tell us. Whom will you pass a direction when it matter is pending before under IBC?
Be so happening, my lord, we'll have to inform the liquidator, my lord, whether they will be representing the company or not, my lord.
Why should you give that is prescribed in the law?
No, but it has to be, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, if the writ petition is there, because there is also a civil suit. My lord, after, my lord, the process was initiated, my lord, we did not represent.
You argue this case.
But as far as the other petitioners are concerned, the directors and promoters of the company, he's very much capable of and empowered to argue the matter. There's nothing in the matter. It's unnecessarily pending since last 5 years.
Nothing is there, my lord. For me, my lord, because there is a willful defaulter, my lord. My lord, it will affect my whole credibility, my lord. There is a Supreme Court judgment also that has been pronounced.
You go straight to the judgment. Come to the facts. You in the Supreme Court judgment, the company was under liquidation.
No, not on that, my lord. Interpreting the regulation of the RBI regulation, my lord, where the apex court has said the so-called notice has to be given to the parties, my lord, before the willful default, they are declared to be willful defaulter. Only, my lord, I was placing what developments have taken place, my lord.
So if they, in view of the developments, what is your prayer? Let us see.
As regard the first writ petition, my lord, perhaps, my lord, it may not survive also.
Yes, so that is what I am
But the second one, because we.
Okay, so we are on fast. Let us close this first one. The present, this is WPC 7563. 7563. The present writ petition is filed being aggrieved by a so-called notice dated 19/6/2019 issued by the Register of Companies Shillong based on a letter dated 8/5/2019 issued by respondent number 1 inter alia directing the petitioner 1 to submit his reply. Full stop. It is submitted that in the meantime, the petitioner company is under process of liquidation and matter is pending before the NCLT Guwahati. Full stop.
Can I indicate one? Lord, if there is an issue of jurisdiction, Lord, so far, because if the SFIO takes up the matter, Lord, it will also inquire the matter so far as petitioner are concerned, where the company is concerned, as well as the director. Lord, since in terms of, Lord, the RBI guidelines, Lord, any Lord, investigation which is less than 3 crores has to be adjudicated by serious fraud investigation. it is.
Understand, it's now serious fraud, non-serious fraud, who will inquire against whom at this stage?
At this stage, the matter has been pending before CBI. They have also filed a FIR.
See, criminal part is a different issue, number one. See, please understand. And so far relating to the company, whether company has done fraud or not, that is a part of now under CBI.
Both are part of the criminal proceeding only, Lord, because of the value of the loan amount, Lord, the jurisdictions are different.
Now, against whom serious fraud will be investigated?
Lord, against the company and its director.
Company and its director. What is the status of this company as
The
on date?
company is on liquidation.
Then
Lord, but it will, Lord, my
the
contestation.
directors, against the directors, inquiry against the direction is by virtue of that company, which is non-entity as on date.
Still it will continue. Lord, that is the.
So was that provision.
Lord, my.
So was that provision.
Lord, I'm not on that. Lord, what I am on is that they themselves now, after Lord, issuance of notice, Lord, they have written to the CBI and CBI has taken up the matter.
That is not the subject matter here.
Therefore, Lord, the jurisdiction of serious fraud investigation has gone, Lord.
Gone.
Lord, on that basis, your lordship can close it.
Huh,
It's
so
not that,
therefore-
Lord, otherwise, Lord, if they
so,
again come up against me, Lord,
Pending, and the allegation reflected in the so-called notice is now being investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation on at the behest of the respondent bank. In view of the aforesaid, nothing survives in this writ petition. In view of such subsequent development, nothing survives in this writ petition to be adjudicated. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed. However, such closure shall not preclude the petitioner to avail the remedy, any other remedy available under law. That is what.
Lord, second case, Lord,
Yes.
I'll have to argue this matter, Lord. Lord, kindly give us some time otherwise, Lord, because there also the company is involved and three of its director, because willful defaulter will also affect individually.
Okay.
The date may be fixed and matter may be heard. That is my only submission
Okay.
because it is absolutely clear on the point of law. We'll
Yes,
submit.
yes. On the prayer of the learned after vacation. If it will take some time, it will be after vacation. If it is not, then we
As far
can.
as I am concerned, not more than 15
take
minutes.
time, Lord,
15,
because-
not more than
And
15
anyway,
days.
Lord, they are not
nothing.
affected by
That
this.
shows that you need, it will take time.
It will take time. It will have to take time.
May not
because-
take time in this court.
No, date may be fixed.
List this matter on give a date. 22nd of October.
Can it be later, my lord? 1 or 2 days.
Give a date.
Yes.
24th Thursday.
Keep yourself.
One is this. Huh?
But in this case, my lord, will the district commissioner required to file affidavit, my lord?
Yes.
Because PSF shifted pardon to the respondent
Hard.
number 6.
Mr. H.S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioners are aggrieved. The grievance of the petitioner is that without initiating any loan acquisition proceeding as well as without issuing any specific notice, their land has been acquired purportedly under Land Acquisition Act 1894. It is the further case that the petitioners were not given any chance to raise any objection while fixing compensation. Full stop. The respondent BSF has filed an affidavit inter alia taking a stand that on their request 15 bighas 03 katha 8 lesas of land under patta land and 1 bigha 1 katha 3 lesas of khas land, government khas land has been acquired, and they have and the BSF has already deposited a sum of rupees 10,97,276 with the Deputy Commissioner Karimganj. Full stop. According to the BSF authority, 15 bighas 3 katha 8 lessas of land was handed over to BSF on 29/1/2014 and 1 bigha 1 katha and 03 lessa was handed over on 28/7/2014. And the said land has already been mutated in the name of BSF as on 03/01/2018. In view of the aforesaid, the the collector cum deputy commissioner shall file an affidavit showing the procedure adhered by the deputy commissioner in acquiring the land and also to clarifying whether the land of the petitioners are involved in the land acquisition process. Full stop. In the affidavit, the deputy commissioner shall also incorporate the date of passing the award, if any, under the Land Acquisition Act. Full stop. Please this matter on
3 weeks, my lord.
after vacation.
Publish.
Give a date. 28 October, 28th of October.
Deeply obliged.
Take the instruction, that's all.
My lord.
Many things will, because it is 2018 handed over. When notice was taken, if it is after 2013, that cutoff date, it will come under the new act.
New act.
Then Mr. Goswami will have to pay new amount.
Hold. 24. My lord, in 24, my lord, the affidavit by the superintendent of police is being filed today, my lord.
Okay, it is submitted that an affidavit is being filed during the course of the day. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed next to give a date.
My number to date was
19th of
19. 9. Oh, bless it. My phone number to be
Yes, Mr. Goel.
Matter is covered, my lord. Matter relates to, my lord, whether the railway authority can demand, my lord, after delivery of goods. The same question came up before this honorable court, my lord.
Yes, who is representing railways?
On the last occasion, Ms. Gayan, my lord, Anuradha Gayan, she appeared my lord, for the railway.
Give us what is the.
My lord. Matter went to Supreme Court, or Supreme Court dismissed their.
Heard Mr. A. Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the railways. Mr. Goel submits that in a similar circumstances, the learned coordinate bench has settled the issue by holding that after delivery of goods, no demand can be made by the railways. Full stop. It is also submitted by Mr. Goel that such determination was challenged in a writ appeal WS 71 of 2023, which was also which was also dismissed. And though the Union of India approached the Honorable Apex Court, the Apex Court also declined to interfere with such determination. Full stop. Accordingly, matter can be disposed of in terms of writ appeal 71 of 2013. Full stop. As none appears for the petitioner railway on call, this court fixes this matter day after tomorrow. If none appears on the date, that the matter shall be determined in terms of the on the basis of the submissions made by the learned counsel, Mr. Goel. List accordingly. Let us inform her. Names one standing council release. No standing council. CGS in it.
CGS, madam.
Okay.
Ugly standing also.
No, yes, standing council is shown. Okay, registry to reflect name of MSA Gayan, learned CGS. Yes. In the cause list.
26.
Yes.
I don't kindly have ordered it at 31/7, my lord.
I have seen that.
Lordship, now the interest part has not been released, my lord, including the principal payment, my lord. And the writ petition which they had preferred earlier has also been withdrawn by them.
No, no, it has been filed, it has been listed in court number 17 today. It has been kept as time being. Mr. B. Chaudhary will move the case now.
So
So
you're-
it should have come along with.
You went to Board of Revenue.
Yeah, no. There is a bench available, so we have preferred.
They went to Board of
Revenue, but
The
there was.
Quorum was not there.
Quorum was
Since
not there.
Quorum was not,
So
now
we
they are
have
coming to
preferred
the
a
immediate
petition.
next forum.
Okay.
Today, those are matters are listed. There's
Okay.
some error, my lord, we have withdrawn it, we have filed FRS, it has listed before court 17 today.
Today.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, okay. It is submitted that,
9 and 10.
a writ petition has been filed.
Two repetition.
Two writ petition has been filed against, the, which order?
Against the revision. order.
Assessment order,
No,
a
revision.
revisional order dated. Just a minute.
26 to 2020.
26 to 2020. And has been registered as WPC number
My lord, 4463 of 2024.
6624
4463.
of 2024 and
Well, the other case number I don't have, but
Swenso. Accordingly, list this matter along with the aforesaid writ petition. When? Next week?
No, Lord.
Let us
Civil
see
says
what
that-
happened.
Yes, along with those cases, my lord. Automatically, if some melody it is dismissed or so melody, in that case, it will, otherwise it will not come. If it is clubbed with them. The
Ah.
Lordship will say, my lord, let it be posted after 1 week. Whatever is the result.
Okay,
we
you
will
also
take it.
have the
If you
instruction.
can
Okay,
have a
list
stay.
this matter next week.
Yes, it will be more.
Not the other matter, list this matter next week. Give a date. It's limited issue. If that is, if there is a stay,
Stay, that
then
will
it remains. And if it says dismiss or no stay,
There also-
then you will pay, that's all.
Yes.
Subject to outcome,
My
of
lord,
course.
subject to-
How many matters are there? 21.
Please, my lord, we have filed two IS in this petition, my lord, for withdrawal, my lord. The controversy between the parties have been settled.
What is the ground for withdrawal?
The controversy between the parties have been amicably settled, my lord.
Okay. IA. Both are same, it will be the same?
Yes, my lord, same. However, my lord, there are interim orders, my lord.
Okay.
Feathers property.
The present IA is filed by the writ petitioner in WPC 4040/2011. And other writ petition is?
1229 of 2013, my lord.
There will be two different, huh? This IA is in 4040/2011, IA 2754/2024 is in WPC 4040, is that it?
Yes, my lord.
What is the other IA?
Other is like 2734 of 24, that is in petition number 1229 of 13.
1229, 2013. Order to but there will be difference in the numbers. The application is filed by the writ petitioner in WPC Swenso for withdrawal of WPC Swenso. The connected writ petition was filed for what? WPC 4040/2011 was filed challenging an order dated 1/2/2011 passed by the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Kamrup in riot case number 12 of 2010 under KRL file number 5/10, as well as the mutation granted on basis of such order. Full stop. By way of filing the present application, it is projected by the writ petitioner applicant that the dispute has amicably been settled between the petitioner and respondent number between the parties. And in view of such settlement, the present application is filed for withdrawal of the connected writ petition 4040/2011. Full stop. Consider the pleadings. Full stop. The Rajasthan Council for Respondents has not objected to such withdrawal. Accordingly, the IA stands allowed by, IS stands allowed by allowing the petitioner to withdraw the connected writ petition so and so so and so. Well, then in the writ petition, in view of the order passed in IAC 27 so and so so and so, the present writ petition stands closed on withdrawal, full stop. Interim order, if any, passed earlier, stands vacated. Both these cases same. Only IA is different. Writ petition. Subject matter same. Same. All close. Writ petition, 7.3, everything. Two IS closed, two writ petitions closed. That I simply, in view of the order pass, IS stands closed.
Item 27.
Yes.
Matter in case of accidental death, my lord. Accidental death, my lord. Madam,
Accidental death.
For 4 weeks, my lord.
Identified, there is a.
Yes, madam.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed after 4 weeks. Vehicle is identified.
Identified.
What remains?
Nothing, my lord.
There is a.
Retable is pending, that is why.
Okay. Have you filed MSCT?
Done.
MSCT claim file.
Perhaps 5 minutes.
Yes, affidavit.
Kindly 2 weeks time may be given, my lord, for updated instruction and.
The present petition is filed with a grievance that the contractual bill due to the petitioner has not been paid by the BTC authorities. Full stop. BTC amounting to rupees 24,25,797.00 for execution of what work? Name of the work.
Lordship, construction of community hall, Assam type,
Where do we get that?
at page 3. Page 3, the Lordship.
Against the execution of the work within inverted comma, construction of community hall, page 2, within bracket Assam type, along with brick boundary wall at AMTEM under Boro Bazar in Sirang district. Full stop. By the next date fixed, the BTC authority shall either obtain instruction, written instruction, or file an affidavit whether the petitioner has duly executed the aforesaid work and whether the respondent authorities admits the aforesaid claim of the petitioner. And if such claim is admitted, the reason for non-payment of such bill. List this matter. Give a date after puja. 24th of October.
29.
May I please, your lordship? The matter, because kindly add the matter, because
Why?
lady engaged counsel expired, lordship.
Who was the engaged counsel?
Mr. N. Ahmed.
N. Ahmed.
Yes, lordship. Last year, lordship. And so I have to send a letter to the client for instruction, lordship. I don't have the brief.
Okay, it is submitted that the engaged counsel, Mr. N. Ahmed, has in the meantime expired. Accordingly, his junior, Mr. R.A. Ahmed, prays for an adjournment so as to make a communication with the client. Prayer is allowed. Please this matter after puja vacation.
30.
May I please, your lordship? The last occasion, my lord.
Yes, GMC. Nayak, file an affidavit. I think affidavit will be required. Mr. Nayak, learned counsel representing the GMC, prays for and is granted. How much? 4 weeks time.
Otherwise also you can bring status quo.
Status, 4 weeks time to file affidavit. Full stop. Status quo is till today or already?
Until further.
Okay. Full stop. List accordingly. Yes, Burua,
Lordship, we have already filed our affidavit, Lordship.
what is your stand?
We have paid the compensation, Lordship. If, yes. Yes. 2/11/20.
3/11/2022. They have given details that compensation below, damage compensation 150, requisition compensation 68, total amount 218.
Yes, Lordship.
Your Lordship, kindly have a look on page.
Now issue is, this was an accident,
Yes.
total loss.
Vehicle got to tell loss. Vehicle was damaged at Nangpo, brought back to the Sonapur police station, lying there. They are not doing anything. Then I approached this honorable court in 2011. In 2012. 12, then this honorable court 2019 passes delivered a judgment, holding that though under the ROPA there was no provision, there is no provision for paying any compensation in case of a vehicle made with an accident during requisition. So therefore, this honorable court take help of this Requisition and Control of Vehicle Act and relied on section 5, directed to assess the damage as per provisions of section 4(2).
So according to them, they have do you want to reply to this?
No, my lord, I have challenged that report, that action itself. Your lordship, that's why I am telling your lordship, their entire 1,50,000.
No, they have said it is how much?
1,50,000 as deprecated value, deprecated, they deprecated scrap value. Well, under the act, my lord, there is a procedure to determine the compensation. The loss of earning also one of the component, my lord.
So this is within your knowledge already, and that has already been challenged in this petition.
Therefore, my lord, your lordship had a look at the annexed D, page 31, my lord.
What is your prayer in this writ petition?
My mandamus not be issued declaring the assessment and determination of damage of the vehicle of the petitioner as deprecated scrap value amounting rupees 1,50,000 is arbitrary, illegal.
So where is your affidavit? You have said what have you been done? That he is also aware. He says that it is not as per the procedure and prescribed and in terms of the earlier judgment. Now what you have said is we have done it. But his case is that is already
We have
aware.
stated in our affidavit, we have done as per the honorable court's order.
Not honorable source order.
Yes, paragraph 8 of our affidavit, lordship.
Paragraph 8.
Page 38.
You did not get any insurance claim also.
No.
Why?
How can I claim insurance without that was during the requisition period?
Was it certified to be total loss, any material on record?
Beg your pardon?
Is it a total loss of the vehicle?
Now your lordship will find a page. That is why I am asking your requesting page 31. Their assessment on the basis of a report submitted by the motor vehicle inspector.
Page 31.
Yes, my lord, at my petition. Has your lordship got it? Next, page 32, observation. Now they are saying that this is total loss. And condemn one at this stage, the deprecated scrap value of the rupees 1,50,000. Is it the way of complying the section 4(2).
Yes, this is the scrap value only.
Determination of compensation is different, my lord.
No, this is scrap value.
Scrap value.
Scrap value, you take, you sell it and get it. We don't have any problem. You pay him the compensation. Don't pay him the scrap. Pay him the compensation for the vehicle. You sell it in the scrap and have this 1,50,000. Now come to your affidavit.
Lordship, the hiring form, that is
We'll hear
a
this method. This will require some deliberation. We straight away you cannot pass an order.
No,
We have
my
to give
lord.
reason.
I wanted an early disposal.
Okay. So, requisition compensation is something different.
Damage compensation.
See, have you taken a scrap? While taking the vehicle, did you take a scrap?
No, Lordship.
Huh? So if no, you have given him the value of scrap.
But if your Lordship comes to page 45 of our affidavit in opposition, that is
Yes.
the hiring form, Lordship, the follow conditions number 5, Lordship. All risks, including damage to the vehicle and other persons' property, shall be maintained, shall remain the liability of the.
Yeah, suppose there is a tire burst, their ring is damaged. He will change it, no problem on that.
Here we
But
have
if
said-
vehicle is damaged in an accident, because in terms of the, what is the judgment, where Supreme Court says that during requisition, its insurance will not have liability. That is the judgment of Honorable Apex Court.
Yes, yes.
A view, and that too, it is from our High Court.
Yes.
Our High Court's view was different, that it is the insurance we will have to pay, but that was reversed by Honorable Apex Court. What is the judgment, Mr. Kotoki?
This is the.
It says that during requisition, its liability is upon the state.
That was relied by the earlier, in the earlier judgment.
Okay, I have not gone through it. So that is the judgment. So therefore, state will have to pay.
And that,
What state will pay? State will pay the vehicle, price of the vehicle, if it is total damage, not the price of scrap, because you have not taken scrap.
my lord, so far, this condition
this-
number 5, also this court held that it is contrary to the, that page 27.
I send that. Yes. Borua,
The next day. I will have-
Mr. Kotoki, at least have a price of your vehicle at that point of time. What was the price? And then we'll think over interest and other.
Lot of income and.
And that we'll see, but you have it
Well,
on the prayer of Mr. Borua, learned counsel for the state, matter stands adjourned and be listed on after vacation. Give a date. 25th of October. Yes, this is hit and run.
No,
None appears for, yes,
no, electrocution, Lordship.
this is item number,
32.
okay, 32, yes.
Lordship, we have received the inquiry report.
Okay, what is the report says?
So it is
Whose fault?
the authority, Lordship.
File an affidavit.
Lordship.
Or you can dispose it of.
Well, we have to again obtain instruction whether they want to.
Let it be in the form of
appeal or
affidavit.
not.
Okay, Mr. S. Borua, learned counsel for the state respondent, submits that they have received the enquiry report from the electrical inspector,
Lordship.
inspector, and would like to file an affidavit to bring on record the aforesaid enquiry report. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after vacation. 25th. Or can you file the affidavit before that?
We can file.
Because it's a, see,
Yes, yes.
the person is died. Give a date before vacation.
Before
Just
vacation.
short, that this is the
Yes, yes,
enquiry report. That's all, nothing more. You need not defend anything, just
Yes,
give the
yes.
report. No, before this month. 30th of September.
Lordship.
For the 30th of September, we may be served a copy of the affidavit because.
Huh?
again,
Borua, your only remedy, suppose there is a against you, your only remedy is to prefer an appeal. We'll provide that we have already passed the judgment, allowing it and with liberty to you to prefer appeal, but give it to them. That's all. So we can dispose it of that. Yes.
Lordship, in this case, we are going to file our affidavit today itself. We have
Okay.
sent a copy to the.
The learned counsel representing the pharmacy council submits that an affidavit is being filed during the course of the day.
Okay.
Accordingly, prays for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. List this matter
Lordship, up to Lordship.
after vacation or in emergency.
These people are not being provided with the registration of the licenses.
List this matter. Give a date.
Up to Lordship.
First of 30th of September. Yes, affidavit.
Yes,
It will require OPC to the Maimol of Dorong district. It is a contentious issue. Affidavit is required.
Sometime maybe.
You are for?
Social Justice and Empowerment Department.
Learned Standing Council for Social Justice and Empowerment. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. List after vacation.
Lordship, with these cases, your lordship issue, your lordship, that we have raised, your lordship, in respect of the same tender. Some order has been passed by the coordinate bench, your lordship, and in view of that, we don't have any case, your lordship.
That missing.
No, not this one. This relating to the tender, your lordship, fishery. related.
Okay. So influx was.
Not in practice, your lordship may, not Mohol, your lordship, judgment to.
Oh, that like mining license.
Obina's Nath. We have raised the same points, your lordship, the coordinate.
Has been rejected.
Okay.
Only prayer will be, your lordship, to release my security money.
Who will release the security?
They will, your lordship.
Is he entitled?
That
Your
we'll
lordship, I
have to see,
have
Lordship.
deposited for your lordship against this. Tender, submitting my tender, your lordship, that month, security in earnest money.
That is what beach security or something like.
Not beach security.
What is?
He said, told me security, your lordship, that.
You file a representation level 2 because we straight away it will be difficult to do. Heard Mr. Borthakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Borthakur submits that the issues raised in the present writ petition was also raised in WPC 3313/2023. Full stop. Within Obina's Nath versus State of Assam and others. Full stop. According to Mr. Borthakur, the issues involved in this writ petition and claim by the present petitioner has been negated in the aforesaid writ petition by a coordinate bench in its judgment dated 31/5/2024. And accordingly, it is the contention of Mr. Borthakur that nothing survives to be adjudicated in the present writ petition except preferring and writ appeal by the petitioner. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, the present writ petition stands closed. However, it is provided that petitioner may approach for release of his earnest money pursuant to tender dated, pursuant to auction notice dated 2/3/2023. And in the event such application for release of security deposit is filed, same may be considered and a decision be taken by a speaking order. Full stop. Writ petition stands closed. This is item number.
That your lordship, beach security.
Beach security. Item number
36, same, your lordship.
3536.
In 35, my lord, may be pleased to indicate my presence, respond number 5.
Mr. Bonik also heard Mr. Bonik for the respondent number 5.
Okay.
Our affidavit is ready for swearing, lordship.
Mr. Borua, learned counsel, State Council submits that an affidavit is being filed within a period of 5 days from today.
Can it be
Accordingly,
7 days?
7 days from today. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed after 10 days.
File affidavit on Friday, Lordship, it is not on record, I guess.
Lordship may kindly fix up next week. This week we'll file our reply, my lord.
You have filed reply.
Which file, my lord? This week we'll file reply.
When will you file?
This week, my lord. Within this
Okay, it is submitted and an affidavit in
Some
opposition
urgency
has been
there.
filed on Friday. Give the date. Full stop. Mr. Ghosh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter may be adjourned for a week to file a reply affidavit. Prayer is allowed. List this matter. Last part, 24, 25, 26, like
Yes.
25th.
41? Yes. 40 lordship, may kindly the lordship's order of 21/2/2024, my lord. That is for non-payment of
Yes,
contextual bill after
instruction.
completion of work, no, I've admitted everything.
Irritated, my lord.
Have a simple instruction, whether do you admit or not admit, or have a written instruction. If you admit, we may pass an order to verify afresh and decide. And if you don't admit, then we'll throw him out of this court. That's all. For that we have,
Admitted amount, my lord. Lordship kindly say that.
but still admitted amount. That is your pleading. They will have to come and say, yes, his pleading is correct.
Because that was-
Who will pay, Lordship? We executed the work, but it was with the administrative approval of the health department.
Of the,
Health department.
yes.
That is.
So what is his business? He has only given his manpower and executed. Until and unless you pay him, how can he pay?
That is the only.
Made all of them parties.
Good. Yes.
It's short
Uh,
date may be
it
fixed,
is-
my lord.
This court under its order dated 21/2/2024 sought certain specific instruction as regards entitlement of the petitioner for the amount claimed as against pending bills for execution of a civil work, execution of an contractual work. Mr. Nayak, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel for PWD, submits that the work has been executed under their supervision. However, the actual employer for whom they have executed the work is the Health and Family Welfare Department. Therefore, it is the Health and Family Welfare Department who is to furnish the instruction as sought for by this court under its order dated 21/2/2024. At this stage, the Learned Standing Counsel for the Health prays for further 10 days time to obtain the instruction. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 25th, 26th, like that. 25th. Have the instruction, or you say that we are processing, we'll give next financial year or whatsoever, or say that we will not give, we'll decide about it.
41.
May I please, your lord?
Yes.
My lord, after completion of the work order, handing over is already taken
Yes,
place.
Nayak, what
Lordship,
is your say?
our affidavit is being filed, Lordship.
Okay.
Today we are filing.
Okay, Mr. Nayak, Learned, the Standing Counsel for PWD submits that an affidavit is being filed during the course of the day. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed on.
Puja, we said reply.
Not so urgent, 21st of October.
I'm appealing for respondent for second verification,
Who is respondent number 4?
director of second verification.
Director so-and-so, Director of Secondary.
Oblige, my lord.
That also we can, Vijay Ghosh's case also we can fix after vacation. These are not so urgent matter. Earlier case, item number 40, somebody inform Mr. Ghosh, 21st of October. Now you inform. Now item number
42.
42.
Yes.
That license, it will take some time, no?
Yes. That's why I just-
We'll take this matter today itself.
May fix it on a hearing day, Lordship. We,
What hearing day? Today we are only at 2:30.
we require some preparation, Lordship.
Say that.
Yes.
For that, hearing date is not required. You say, I need preparation. That's all.
For self.
Huh? When? Who is enjoying?
Nobody.
Yes, then revenue is being
Yes.
liquor.
Yes. Lordship,
Liquor. My friend, whether he can appear, my lord.
In advocacy, nothing is there. You get a brief, get the fees, you can do anything and
I was
everything.
thinking, if it's still.
Yes, my lord. Haji is with the bottle now.
Yes. When give a date? After vacation?
My lord,
No.
Yes, then?
My lord,
Coming
LOA is issued in my favor
Hmm.
because of this pendency of this case.
Hmm.
And
Where is Mr. Bothakur? Next case is Mr. Bothakur. Is it two matters are together, isn't it?
No.
42 and 43? Oh, no, sorry.
No, this is individual matter.
Individual 43. Yes, when?
My lord, next week for admission.
Yes, Bothakur.
Next week, Lordship.
Give a date. Give a date, convenient date. And it should be on miscellaneous day. Miscellaneous day, we have more time than hearing date.
Yes, I've seen the other case.
Then
Because in this, see, from item 29, I know earlier that all these will be adjourned because these matters are from 23 to 24. No affidavit is filed.
my lord,
One fine day, MS Das will have to pay 10,000 cost.
20th.
You are giving time and time, isn't it?
20th.
my lord, 20th.
20.
Yes,
20.
for admission hearing.
For admin. Anything can be heard in this court. Even
Yes.
order hearing also
Yes.
possible. Yes.
That's fine.
Hmm?
Five or six, five.
Yes, what is this, Mr. MS Das? Please tell us.
There is a quarrel between the private respondent and my lord petitioner. And their title suit is also pending.
No, this two aspect. Please understand. Suppose somebody files an FIR that this is the cell deed. It is a forced. My signature is forced.
Forced.
Okay. Already cell deed is registered.
Registered.
Even if it is established that this is forced signature, forensic, whatnot.
My lord.
But a declaration is to be required. Required.
My lord.
That is a declaration. That is one aspect. But if the police is not investigating, not signature sample are being taken, then
My lord,
so
we-
can you say that since it's civil matter, we will not investigate, let him prove whether it's fault. Forgery is to be proved through the investigating officer. That may help him also. Tomorrow police may say, no, there is no forgery. This is the safe sample signature, this and all.
My lord, we have received instruction, but the instruction have not stated anything regarding forgery and.
They
all, my
will
lord.
see specific allegation, give us a status report.
My lord.
Yes.
We are going to file an objection.
What objection?
Against the affidavit of opposition, we'll file the affidavit.
File whatever you want, file. You are nobody. You are nobody. You give statement before the police. 161 statement. Who are you? Except a formal party. You are an accused. Isn't it? File affidavit, whatever you can. We are not even going to look into this. We'll see whether allegation is correct or not. That's all. MS, you thus learned counsel submits that she may be granted 2 weeks time to obtain a status report as regards the investigation of the case in question, inasmuch as the FIR lodged on 24/1/2024 has specific by way of lodging an FIR dated 24/1/2024, the petitioner has specifically alleged that cell deed number 1121 dated 11/2/1976 is a forged document. However, the police has, even after a prima facie cognizable offence was alleged. The concerned police station has taken the application to be under section 107 CRPC. Accordingly, along with the status report, an affidavit be filed by the concerned officer in charge of the police station. List this matter on. Give a date.
After the vacation. After answering
No,
after
no.
answering vacation.
It will be too late. You do not know. Specific allegation. Specific allegation is there. He'll says 107. You investigate, give a final report.
Lordship is correct, my lord, because there is forgery.
And what is this police business? You have seen last occasion also, and we'll ask for departmental proceeding. Mind it against this officer.
Lordship.
No, 4th of October, this month. Last week of September. 38.
My lord, just permit me just to say one thing, my lord, because I've come in between. In my order 42, there was an interim order.
Okay, that will continue.
My lord.
Item number 74.
Yes, BTC name shown.
But they have not.
No, just now
We have
some.
informed them also. My junior just informed them.
So therefore, who will the concerned officer? Yes, he's here. Yes, BTC.
Lordship, Mr. Asbara is on late. Let the matter come after 1 week, he will get the instruction.
Let him come if we are complete, if possible, or we will fix next week.
Whatever, lordship.
Okay. It is submitted that Mr. S. But you obtain instruction. Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel for the BTC, shall obtain his instruction, complete his instruction, and apprise this court whether apprise this court as regards claim of the petitioner for payment of how much money, madam? 29 lakhs against
Petrol, which diesel, I think. Fuel, which was taken from the petrol.
against fuel that has been purchased by the BTC authorities on credit from the petitioner. Full stop.
Actually, it was taken by PHE. Under
BTC is under BTC.
BTC.
29
lakhs.
transport subject.
Yes.
Full stop. List this matter on.
Monday next or so?
Monday next, huh? 6, not Monday, Tuesday.
Seven-
Yes.
17.
75.
Supplementary. Where is the list? I can main list. Okay.
I have instruction.
75. Where is that? That obstructing wall and it is here. Mhm. What is your case, Mr.
My lord, if your lordship may turn up IA 248224.
IA?
IA.
Why IA?
IA was there, but we have given some photographs in that IA. Your lordship will find in page 50.
IA is disposed of.
My lord, that was for substitution for petitioner number 1.
Hmm.
There were total 5 petitioners, my lord. Page 15, your lordship will find.
Page?
15, 1 5.
Okay.
at the top, my lord, your lordship will find from petitioner number 2 to 5,
Hmm.
there are the gates where it was kept open for them to come and go. But in my case, my lord, the next photograph below, your lordship will find that they have constructed the wall.
Now, no.
My lord, the necessary papers are in transit. Let's
Okay,
file our
file an
affidavit.
let him file an affidavit. Now, how you are presently, you must have something.
They have their way, my lord. My lord, we shall clarify all these things.
Okay, because this photograph, we do not know. Photographs may be deceptive sometimes. Most of time photographs are deceptive.
Well, we know what happened.
So apparently it seems that this wall is constructed newly. Side. And you want to say this is your road. Now,
The top photograph, it shows, my lord, one gate is open for the others. The petitioner from 2 to 5, they have got the relief. There was an interim order.
okay, Mr. Dr. Arnett, Senior Counsel representing the Silchar Municipal Board. Silchar Municipal Board on instruction has submitted that the land in question is totally municipal land. And the petitioner had a separate land for their ingress and egress, and therefore it cannot be said that the Silchar Municipal Board has blocked their ingress and egress. First up, Mr. Dr. further submits that the records, relevant records are being sent to him for preparation of an affidavit. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after vacation.
For vacation, my lord, they are saying.
Before vacation, he will file, then you will file a reply, then we may say these are disputed, go for a declaratory suit. Who knows what? After vacation.
A date can be fixed, if your lordship.
Okay, give a date. After, on 22nd. 22nd of October. Mr. Rasiduri, 22nd is doubtful. In the meantime, Pujo and Silchar. Think of it. After something. Let finish the list.
I think 7 to 7.
Yes.
Well, I think in item number 77. Yeah, my lord. Notice was issued, my lord.
Affidavit is not filed, my lord.
What affidavit do you require?
My lord, here, my lord.
It's a question of law. Whether this notification empowers them to act. We'll see the notification. If empowers. If not, what facts is required? No individual facts is required to be determined.
Here,
Argu.
here, my lord, our case is that I am a private person.
No, that we understand. Your whole case is that by virtue of this notification, they have sought for this royalty, forest royalty, and this is not permissible under the provision of this.
Yes,
So they took time earlier that we are reconsidering this. Because they also know they are not permitted until and unless they properly amend. So what is why should we keep this matter pending? This is a question of law, simple. No facts is required, no affidavit is required. They are enjoying a stay. You are, let us say, where is the notification?
My lord, annexure 4, my lord, type copy. First, we have to, I will draw your lordship attention to the annexure 3. So this annexure, page 26, my lord.
Page 26.
Relevant question, my lord. My lord, as per this.
Page 26, no.
My lord, 20, it starts from page 25.
No, what is your petition? Petition?
Petition number is 3678.
3678. Yes, page?
Page 25 to 26, my lord.
25. This is your representation.
No, this is the order, my lord, which we are agreed by, this by order. But earlier there was a notification. That is the 7 October notification. And thereafter, my lord, there was an order passed on 28 July 2022. That is annexure 3. As per this order, my lord.
So according to you, this is the impugned order. This impugned order is similar in all the cases?
Yes, my lord. To my understanding. Yeah, my lord, the municipal corporation was.
Mr. Sinha, anything to be added? CAB, record is there? Huh? Give the record. Want to add something? Okay, wait.
Take much time, my lord.
Okay, let us complete this then. Okay. Okay, if necessary, we'll hear you tomorrow. No problem on that. In the meantime, I'll go through the record. Okay? List this matter tomorrow by slip. Okay? Or if you want to give a note also, if you wish. I have already summarized your argument, but still, if you want to.
I'll take 15 minutes.
So not today, then tomorrow. 76. That matter left over. What was the name of the case?
Consulting engineer.
Consulting engineer. That is by slip. It is we are continuously being heard. Yes.
My lord, now I draw your lordship attention.
So
to
let
page-
us read this.
I am reading. My lord. In continuation of this department letter under reference and with reference to the cited above, I am directed to inform you that the meeting was held on 7/12/22 at 11 AM at the conference hall of Honorable Minister and Environment and Forest Department in presence of Honorable Minister Mines and Mineral Department and officials from both departments to discuss the issues difficulties faced by various departments in collection of forest royalty on minor minerals used for works of government department, private builders. After discussion, it was advised that no.
So they say that this will be applicable to everybody. Now let us see the notification.
Now, my lord, here I'll draw your lordship attention to page number 20, my lord.
Page 20, yes.
Page 20. This is the notification, my lord. Here, notification, my lord, page number 20, relevant portion, my lord, the principal rules in rule 5 of the existing rule 3, minor minerals.
Let us see amendment of rule 5. Which portion you want to show me?
My lord, the second paragraph, my lord, in the principal rules.
Okay.
In the principal rules, in rule 5 of the existing sub rule 3, the following shall be sufficient, namely, the minor minerals when shall be used or consumed by government departments. The rates of royalties shall be paid as per the rates prescribed in the third schedule appended to these rules, and other ancillary charges as shall be notified by the government shall be deducted by the government department through treasury, so and so in proportionate rate to the percentage of the total cost of project, including taxes as GST, IT, etc. The minor minerals.
Just a minute. Yes.
The minor minerals when shall be used or consumed by government agencies, the rate of royalties shall be deducted as per the rates prescribed in the third schedule appended to these rules, and other ancillary charges as shall be notified by the government at the time of payment of bills of contractors or suppliers in proportionate rate to the percentage of the total cost of the project, including taxes as GST, IT, etc. And thereafter shall deposit the appropriate head of account or bank account as shall be notified by the government. For that purpose, the minor minerals when shall be used or consumed by the central government or any other or any of their agencies. The rates of royalties shall be paid as per the rates prescribed in the third schedule appended to these rules, and other ancillary charges as shall be notified by the government. Such department or agency shall ensure the prescribed royalties and ancillary charges have been paid by the contractors, suppliers, agencies before making final payment against their bills. Urban bodies shall collect such royalties as prescribed in third schedule in 4 equal installments. The first installment shall be collected at the time of granting of building construction permission, the next 2 installments during construction, and the final installment on completion of construction work. The royalties as collected by the urban local bodies shall be deposited in the head of account or the bank account as notified by the government. It says more about central government or their agencies or the minor minerals that are consumed by the government agencies. The rates as appended in the search schedule and process as prescribed shall be applicable to fresh tenderers only.
Now,
Now, my lord, here, I am a private person. I have my own land where I am going to construct a building. Now they are demanding that I should pay the forest royalty too.
according to whom, after which provision, under which provision?
My lord, my lord, this notification, my lord, it shows that, my lord, this royalties that are required to be paid by the government departments. That means, my lord, that are contractors, my lord, who are doing business, my lord. Oh, as per order of certain government order, they are required to pay their forest royalty, not us, my lord. We are private person who are having own land and where we are going to construct building, my lord.
Now, where is the concession rules? Where is Mr. Borthakul? You're here, okay. Take this. The computer has obstructed your, yes. Mineral concession rules.
Please.
What a second, my dark side, please. This book?
Yes. Page 364, my lord. B. Art schedule, my lord. Yes.
Page?
364 B.
This is the last item. 364.
364 B.
664. Page?
364 B.
364. No, the rule starts at which page?
Which one is that?
Mhm.
2013 around. Starts at which page? Page 245.
So it starts at page
245.
245.
45.
Five. Two 45. Yes. Now you which page you want to? Huh? Why the councils are standing? Have you seen?
5.
We give everybody opportunity of hearing. Don't worry.
Page number 248.
Page number
248.
248.
Rule 5. Quarrying of minor minerals by government department agencies.
48.
248.
Yes. Then,
An application for grant of mining permit for.
so this is querying. Then, where is the contract? Mining permit.
Permit.
So your whole case is that mining can be done by under authority of mining regulation, concession rules 2013. There are three possibilities, 3 or 4, Mr. Bothakur. One is mining license.
Yes.
One is quarrying license. One is mining license. One is mining contract, and other is
Please.
mining lease. 4 provisions. And those can only liable to pay mining, what do you call it?
Royalty.
Mining royalty.
Royalty.
This is your case.
Yes, ma'am.
And therefore, since you are not having a mining license, therefore you are not liable to pay mining royalty. This is your whole case.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is your case, Mr. Bothakur? Let to understand.
Well, Lordship, no instruction has come from the Mines and Minerals Department, Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of Mr. P.N. Goswami, Lordship, because
P.N. Goswami is for forest.
he was about to represent the government, Lordship, but so far we have not received any instruction. So, Lordship, before disposing, Lordship, today at least, Lordship may write that on the next occasion, this matter will be disposed, Lordship. That way we can at
Let us
least
hear
put the
them.
department on
Let us
notice.
hear them for they are from certain. Okay, then
My lord, yeah, my lord, then again, rule 8, my lord,
rule 8.
grant of mining license through competitive bidding. No mining lease shall be granted.
Mr. Bothakur, will that judgment give us some light?
RCN.
RCN?
Should
Not
that-
for the principle of law, for this, what is the provision, what is the mining under 2003, what are the provisions?
That might give some light, Lordship, yes.
And
Some bearing it might have.
and the other judgment that another judgment is ask them to give the RCN construction. Because not for other purpose. RCN will on the basis of RCN we can understand the what are the provisions of that. Not for because RCN's issue was different altogether. It's a between contractor and all. Here your power see whether you are happy, this rule is not under challenge. Is that it? Your whole case is that we are not covered. Do you say that this rule prescribes payment by you?
Yes, they are demanding the payment. When
No, they are demanding payment. According to you, does this rule prescribes a payment by individual?
my lord, because my lord, when this.
No, answer my question.
Actually, no, my lord.
That should be your bold stand.
Yes, my lord.
That this rule do not prescribe, and if you say rule is bad, our hands are off, go to the division bench, amended rule. If you say this rule do not prescribe anything to demand a royalty from the private individuals until and unless there is a mining license or permit or lease. And in fact, these 3 sections, new amended, amended rule 5, 3.1. 3.1 describes 3.1, 3.2 describes who will have to pay and what rate. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, rule 3 prescribes how urban bodies is to collect. Where is that mandate that individual will have to pay? Do you get, Mr. Bothakur?
Yes.
What they are arguing, I do not know. See, rule 3.1 says, user is defined, used or consumed by government departments. Then this is the rate. Used or consumed by government agencies. This is the rate. Used or consumed by central government or agencies. This is the rate. The rules nowhere prescribes that when used or consumed by individual, this is the rate. It's however prescribes that urban local bodies shall collect royalty as prescribed. That will be relatable when a construction is made by either central government or consumed by state government and agencies. Then only the royalty will be collected when it is relatable to the urban bodies.
Lordship, state and central agencies, they directly deposit the royalty. Wherever construction, whether urban.
Understand. Now, then why local bodies, it is the procedure prescribed to collect, not fixing a liability or giving a liability like subsection 1 and subsection 2.
That's true, Lordship. Collection
it?
is different, liability is different.
Liability is dependent, collection of procedures, nowhere it declares a liability of individual consumers. Matter ends there. What do you say?
Lordship, we would just like to put the government on notice about this because they have been lax, we admit, about this matter, and it is unnecessarily pending. Just in this order, Lordship, by recording all these observations, along with an observation that on the next occasion it will be disposed of. That if
When?
After Lordship 3 weeks.
No, 3
2 weeks is also enough.
See, we spend time in all these
Lordship.
matters. And for this adjournment, see, we had how many matters? 98. Total? Total 98. We are willing to walk, and at 3 our list is over. It's a bet for everybody.
It is, sir.
Isn't it? And this is an issue, simple issue. Somebody will have to argue on law. What instruction do you need from your client? Argue day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
You prepare 2 things. One aspect of the matter from this, if your source of power to collect royalty by a municipal authority is this,
Okay.
then what will be the implications?
Yes.
And if you say that no, this is not the source of authority, we have this source of authority to collect royalty from these individuals, this is our authority.
Okay.
So as if authority is in conformity with the act, if your authority and power is with sanction and authority of law, our hands are off. But if you say that we don't have authority, but we are insisting on collecting only on the basis of urban local clause 3, then clause 3, subject to what you argue, according to this code, prescribes only who will collect. It nowhere prescribes from whom we will collect. But subsection 1 and subsection 2 clarifies from whom we will collect and who is liable to collect, from whom you can collect. But clause 3 nowhere says that.
Yes, Lordship, royalty will be on the materials. If it has already been paid by the minor, then
that
it
can
will
be
double taxation.
Then can be different procedure that can be to ascertain. Like others, you may insist that give us the royalty, receipt of royalty. That will be another aspect under mineral, many things will come. So therefore, I am saying whether there will be an implications of RCN and then another judgment where you have rejected the mining license on the basis of court remanded this matter back to
MC Allied Services.
you or Mr. Gogoi argued this matter. It was a CAV judgment, and others say it was P. Mohanto.
I'll look into it. Lordship.
Just look into it. So fundamental is that mining contract permission can be given in this. This is the procedure of collecting royalty. Now this amendment says from whom. And additional thing is given how in case of urban body, but it is not clear urban body will collect from whom. So until and unless it is clear and until and unless you amend this, can you insist? I think this is the issue. Third in part, list this matter for further hearing on
11.
11, 11:10,
11:09.
11. No, is three more days. Next Tuesday.
Next week.
Next Tuesday.
17, my lord.
17. Okay. You prepare. This is question of law. If you can show from anything from the my act that no, or any judgment that no, that is can be a consent. Another aspect of the matter is that NOC is given for a construction under a special statute and under delegated legislation, rules frame under the act. Now, whether certain addition can be incorporated, even if we assume that that rule can be incorporated in that special act.
Right.
That's all.
Problem.
When? 17.9.
17.
Okay, anything left?
বাইদেউ গোটেই কেইটা কেছত এন্ট্ৰি মৰ্ডাৰ আছে সেইটো কন্টিনিউ কৰি দিয়া ভাল দুটাই লাগে এন্ট্ৰি মৰ্ডাৰ কন্টিনিউ সেইটো কন্টিনিউ কৰিলে ভাল এন্ট্ৰি মৰ্ডাৰ কি নালাগে নেকি